na America na mimi nasema bina so America intimate select for yeah omo ene so control board no eba bedu na mimi say adwuma die no omo ba on be start ne enti time bi a control board no ba bedu bi and that very day na so mi omo te omo say di free adwuma no modaro
asemo okay enti say yenkwaso na yenwa atwen yemu
yenwa atwen enti ni ase mi community engagement we bi akwa ama me kan sa ase mi o ejabo na se esra abisia na no so ayi na ase ko bucho enye bo akwa na ase mi na ese ntini ni na ni na abete ni kakra ni si back pass na yi so no ko pe se on ba ya bi na to mo sa di fi si e se ta me ka so mu me bi ma road users na on ba ba bi no na adwuma na o ma ye ni na na be se say eni na me say ti for so ni nya atre
eno na nka me be ka se de mu me mfa so akra se ne ba na nka ya sa
ya say adaroma o say o ma put a lot of effort our grounds so enti first phase no mo di aguso a mo di kuta apete so say o mo di yeno be to so na ache
enti the video the last video I yensa kan ni say ya na da so tie
see ya na tie
tuntum no the apete so no say ya
that the say just stop and down there so me am na me should be there so
yes okay I see enti so it means that say e banne o betima wie
enne omode control board no be boss no o betima wie enne because enye ade bia o mo be ya manache menye so say control board no ba na cars no load load no free site on ba bi o ma me se na ba bibia na yin ni say o betima gina ho no mabro 4 hours also mo to mo say free because my prepare grounds na e bibia akasa o mo de asphalt na da to.
Okay, Chief, yeah, that's it.
No, so that's it. That's the part I am Kwenya. Na church is ma achieve vote. Yeah, nema iduma dia idino. Aya na ye nkyerɛkyerɛ. Sɛ woka na wuni ana te ase a, obe ono so be nkwa o de be fa so dan sɛ on te hwe na ade no egina ba bi egina. Nti na sɛ afa fidie so bi no masrɛ mo so mo fa nkyɛ. Enye bo apae. Sɛ wo sɛ ye da to ko na nipa ho kyerɛ ono. Te come na se bi aka ikura condition na se nsu kura to a na to glass ma se amani ani pa be den e be from nti e be sere mo so mo fa nche na ni mu na ye nyina ya pe na be akwan no e be kama na ye be yisu ni nyina ni be yisu ni ayi apaso
nti contractor nso so mo mo no so na mo fa nche na control board ma o mo
no ka say me be from na magi update
Hunya ha chief ya dase thank you usa for nti eno ye hodi enso eno no mo so na wo mo nkejemu na ha dwen kwan no ye very busy o and so Monday ejinamu ananka so bibia da mu kama anyway my enko ye ni mai nti eno ye bu akwade enso so that stretch eno no na wo hwe video na wo hwe no ye state a kwan no mo ye dru no nti ese na ebie tum kra na emwa kasi ebia na je se adwuma no ya nya nwie afi be ye nkrofo de na ye ba be ye nti ye ama na ye den ye wie kwata ansa na kwa no wafa so ye nyina ya fa so bi because within the week me that kwa no me fa so ye wo se mpani fo mu wie na ye nyina nso so ye kwa nso ye somadwe ye kama na bibia e fine team eno ye ho de enso eno no now ECG for the tia ne say enra mo anya de kra enra almost the entire minim say bia akohene o ho no na wo de wo nkane ho you say jina no pay wa no wa ko anu atomu yi say jina wa kan anu atomu yi. But you see, in your John Jinapo, Adiano, the Etienne Ashanti region, Assemba Coupe or some Tiase, and they are sure pass a winning. And say Ashanti region, you hear additional bulk supply pointer. Ebeba na ababe boa mienu a eye adwuma sisi a wokrum ha. And yes, someone yes. And ye way, had the cocoa no. Asem no eno no. Esi a ye wo angoma so. And ye wo rage. I understand, sir, Enra Nkoma na midi, and say there is a proposal a daho. I secure asase. Say yemfa additional bulk supply point Emeka Ashanti region. It is there at daho. Yenye no, eno yenye eno. Na region yi yasumu nyo yen. Esi a yeka say statement obi anka bibi ankyere obi a na se bibi beba nso a say the muni no ano upstream brofia. But the problem is that region we Ashanti region baby a ye kon ye hia abaya de hia yen in this region. Yes, granted that cables ni bia yemre load ni bi o ho ba cables ni bi ntimi engineer de. Yes, eno no ho. But the core issue is that as a region, there is a need, say we see additional bulk supply point. Munim, you know. And the biana, you the transformer ba, and a transformer na no rage ya see abe bi afiri ho de bi abehye ho. Na ye de we kwa ha na ye de we fa. What's up? Huh? John Yinapo, what's up? ECG. Where are the achin? You be aquine. Uko ko busem we say, oh, upstream challenge. Tidu be am catch production say enchiremu no eno ha na be sa be sinachi. The same thing na be sa ba. Na nra pa wo hwe me sin dey say uko office abon sem krofo. You can na ehuro ma fe de na bia ya aduti eku so de hihye bi ma ye nanka mframa kakra mo ani ade. Sabre nkrofo ani ho hancho. It is bad. And kaya ye kwaye nim. Ay beka so ye kwaye nim kakra. Na fe asan ati asan ye kwaye chi. Enti ye besre ECG. And after Ministry of Energy and Green Transition. John Jinapo. Krom Hadie. You know this place. Unima Santimantemu apa. And me assure some penifobia mobile year weekendi. Senaya Dudona Ankoya. Because that time I was around by 10. So, the Yamoy Hoso. Na yankoyanim. Ebe video bi ama anopai. Galam se kono. Ebi adruni. Na no te ya. Ya se Naimos Kaneboa ese reshuffle no. Enti ese reshuffle na apie soro ho. Kano ya reshuffle no. And make my catch or say no crack. Na video them baby you say for so on my Facebook hey exclusive to me any Ghana Akoma anyone who tie me anyone about Facebook abehwe me manso adubia ade we ya na nkrofo taka say posifo ne soja fo timi kosia be ma wo peden wa ha oso wo peden adwuma no na aye police una aye ha ye wadwuma ha ye olemu wo peden ha kokodi olemu assembly bia si e o manzo dubia ama soja fo any police fo hey na kaminia oh be man bi twam enya easy oh Ho. Tiwi.
We are to Roberts into Akoma. Not the national security team, but I'm
Mem
Yadi can craft from some clan and come on by a chairman money. I want to move. Okay, Mem said, I must be. We are to Roberts into Akoma. Not the national security.
Yes, look at that. Look, just watch this one.
We are to Roberts into Akoma. Not the national
Mem
Yadi can craft from some clan and come on by a chairman money.
Now, Faye, I'm just for Adiano.
Okay,
I am. So, watch this one. Until Usha, my mama on the other side. And yeah, the Nani say there was an oppression. Now, into Omo Ayini, Omo ye anti-robbery for. Into any Usha Omoa, and a mama so atiesim. Now, say, I didn't know what I say. Dear, one no any opportunity. No, it is so your phone na bedru. Na no kwasemunie, my mo so your phone number so. Sir, they were able to manage the situation. As some way, my young say the Ghana Police Service. Ghana Police Service. IGP. Adiano na no ho komo ba say police for mostly more mining communities, mining areas no. And komo e se obakaya ye depend. It has become opportunity for them say masa say akwanya bi e ba. Yes so yenhwe eno na ma na nsai abrantie bi a wo semo kaya okoji sika. Sa asem ni say police for say we eno an say allegation kopim say be investigation awie. But video na clear in the video. And omo ka say police for car so my interdict no. You see hwehwemu na mo ye no. Wo ye hwie a, mo ma ye hu. Because send back to the public interest no ho. And on the man that assurance say, oh, in fact, police is working. Obia ya dina man so onye adwuma bia or ye adwuma. And yes, sir, consistently, yabako so anya sa niema ibi. Yabako so anya bi. A situation who say one national security. But yes, national security for police for nya. Number two, Obakona police for one side, na soldier force on another side. Obakobia a 9 months for national security. Obia take advantage. Obia per se, one knows why. Because maybe also interest, no. Now that was on Thursday. Penibi, I was trying to convince Penini say, and near my betima ye. I say Obama, Jai. Galamse kono, Jai. Enye ye. Nam say, Edienti enye ye. I say, hey, Pepanoa, that Pepano, a wasro, say, and Casro, Pepano wo ho, in Saninsi Femono. Edu baby ana kate. Because Amabua, Lands and Natural Resources Minister. That's what the 2 million must say. Deal with this issue. Munya we mfama me. That's a dipana or dear man no. Only that will no to pepani ni ho say obetimi e dia yes adwuma na to adwim. Enti you have an account whereby say police form be cooperation. On be call abe report Wellington boot. But ababa no was one fagwa nya gold. Can you imagine? A bedroom other fem penifo beside a lot of questions. No more your operation. Kwasi sa womo mati ya womo ehurade wasi. But you see, giving account. Pass I wear a Wellington boot. A quay omutuni. A quay we sekani. A quay we seni. Ntimonye. Ye wiadwuma. Charlie, I sad. And on the man now me can say you bet me I sad day we akusa because it has been the practice yet to chrome her. Yeah, the anti the galam stop operation halt. A dear yatiti wo chrome her nyasem ketwa. And a dear baby pia 9 months. Yes, obiaba no atibi no atudin. The impression in say ye ko. Obiaba oti no atudin. Anti hwani, anti hwan, operation hwan, ye kwa ni asabesi echi. Ye kwa ni asabesi echi. The sia ye kasai. Ensu a nanka ye say ye ni da so. Ye share nanka ensu na ni ate. Go there and check. Now let me share video bi oboase. Very terrible. Very, very terrible. But you see, the fear is that what you come with me and pay. The fear no say. What the audience say manso unko. What the auto wadum and answer what the what estate bia. Oh sorry what the outboard life. Oh sorry no pay what to private camera wo kwadwuma. Judy and fa you should be concerned. Because the old koto abefie no ye ntwere mo ho. The old koto abefie no koto abedi no ye ntwere se we free. Tonto krom ana ye ntwere se we free be potenti and waka se ho de etu galam say entimi ni. Obia no interest. See a tihani see ye beye responsible cooperative mining. Ni ate ho tete ho saa be si ne. Ye tete ho saa ba be si ne. Obia nka de ono no yasoma ne senko nya no wa to ne bo ase emfa no ho because pressure bia ni so. Sa de onya bi ono so onya bi ye. Ani ati krom ha. Na neba TS posifo ne sojafo wo de abo ani o makosia wa ha ena nyame nko a obeti ese national security for and police for ena nyame nko a obeti ese we anyway ena nyame nko a for how long ene be koso aka sa asem we ene ambisa se wo mo a training o mo a ne yeso mo ye blue water guards o mo ho nsama te sen ye shasie gidi ye shasie mirika so haya ye di nkomo me ye kra ye ka mi so we de beboa ebini e na bi mu timirika sabro mo sha ase gidi nkrofo ma tonso mu wuya ye sure se sabri nka uyo busuani anka wura ho because obi de ne senka obi e de ne nkwa ne kra etwa de so na se ye nya solution a ga wote ba bi anko ni beje na no ye nka Ghana yawo mparifo mo hwiro mo nkwa na ni nyina ye a cooperative responsible cooperative money ya senki atimi aye and ye dealing with this issue na ye create sa community based mining no na ye say own it nananom munhya ne ye ye Ani ye nanka nsuo ne ade ne ti a ba bi anka wo mo kra wo bia no e bia nkomani beje ba de nei ade ne ehu ade pa na anopai se utie me ba bi a wo monsoon areas, and it has gotten to the point say emabu na won kronkra hodo mu nyina so ma hunu se masa ye baba ni gidi a na mpanimfo no binom na makire na mo so di enti enso ye bedi usia ani ankwaje chimrantie bi o ba bi se omo ye national security for na yeso omo akwakowura ba bi ekowie ye no na because say ba bi abaye no obi ti ho ho no odidi nti wo bewura ho a wo benya problem. Ese grofo be branya problems enya because obi ye adwuma ni yo na wo baaye no ha na ye didie nti ade na wo beti asim na wo mfro bi nka nkyere no sa ne ma no a na editi kroma eno na editi kroimu etu so obi ani abre ye de ne be court ye be ne sa ho na odidi ho na pani bi edidi nti ade na wo ba ha no wa mo mama ne yesa wo ba ha. Just look at that. Just look at that. Nanka national security, police, IGP, I want a special task force, NIMOS, and so yate ministry nate edi adwuma ma no. Ni nyina no yakwa. What do we see? Until we are getting to a point Obia be protect you on also interest. Yes. Into a hene oti ho no beka jo se be ma oba adwuma no be jodi na ko ntimi susu ame so menya me de wo tua de ma no so beka jo se wo susu ba be jodi no na me menya de na me so menya ina afi yete ho. The only thing ban betimi aka na ya bo ban aba so ho ewo the galamsey fight no in forest. That's the only thing me anopai betimi academy nsese me bo say eno de aban bae wa ya de yensuo eguso sei yen forest de forest ebrebi na ye di nkomo, I mean forestry commission for ntimi nko any sa na man crofo take over these forests no. Yes, I know they make me a catch us aban abon ho modin agisa forest no eno kra no nsem wo ho because sa aban je any sem crofo so benkum no de free benkum ye free ni fako benkum pe obeba na ni fa no so crofo asase ewura ho eno so eguso koso but ye koyanim e wo sa de no yen forest eno de mebo aban aba so. Apart from that yenso no guso ese yenso no eguso ese nti aban wo betena ho mfie nan na chese yentimi anko make progress. Just that is it. And say ya may sasu wo wiem say ade no age ensem. Age ensem. Ye nuanom South Africa for omo fi South Africa be ya na no e dem bai. Hwe mrantie bi ne ahodem. Wo mu nyina hwe yi aba se bedu ba bi. Na o masa ate o so ate agum. E ba ye de ye ne yensu e ba be bi. Yes. Enti edi ane eye. Dien ane eye. Media me say, so responsible cooperative mining no. Responsible cooperative mining no. And Penifo should make effort to be also ye biano. Say a be a mabruno. Because Adiano, Abrantiano, Wakwaye. What the walk with him? Me say, now no command near the addiction. Say what who say Hesikawa ha. See a stopping a ha yet or the Bequa. And to communities Nibia, or must stop you almost a community mine or more biuno. Rantian in a murum. And almost sneaky, and almost say in Suoniade. Because baby, I know your community mining. No, yes, ya be hot no. Yes, won't die because you be responsible cooperative mining, man. Now it's a share video here. Yeah, me come see way. Jana ho tunso mu. Yes, yes, Blue Water Guards. Abrantie ba ko nyame kwa kenso fa no. E wo wese no for baby. Eno mu nya ba mabu. Brantia ne edom call say enka edom kwa koye what Blue Water Guards. O mu nyina ba mabu. I am telling you this morning. O mu nyina bre. Because enko report ene ye ho adwuma ntemo a. Enka ye ntem so. Mesi o mu nyina ba mabu. I am telling you this morning. Blue Water Guards no o mu nyina. Dion peso obehu se ye behu se na ba mabu no adwuma no be no ho abe na adwo se de o ye no enso osra no pa no okwadwuma so emi koyi ekosi sen Blue Water Guards wo mu nyina ba mabu na ono de e ma no etuo ne car so won fa nkoye adwuma no mpo okwa na o compromise de won no Jamano resources. Blue Water Guards, the edi who or matter there, or more different. Asa, dear view. Yes, one cost spy. Every more high, someone call, monitor soon, monitor, monfa report to ma either 9 months and a task force, almost my ejuma. And the question is Blue Water Guards now call course or moko ejuma. Yahoo impact be, Yahoo improvement be ana. Aden ye ho sa. Aden ene ye ho sa asoman. Me say boldly metimi aka me say eno de. But insuo no say. Ya kwaso atu nkrofo koko. Se forest no muntimi nkomu a, omu tu nkrofo koko. Omu tugu. Ya WhatsApp line is 0598 87 0448 0598 87 0448. Say na no ye kan ayi nyina wusu asem nyina wusu denchira si ye kan ho asem so ohima ani abre ya ohima obi dini obi ye hene wasem de krata tu me de letter e de atu ade so kohwe the entire community for sense as because they say, you see, Mampani ko kasembi wo. UK. And you're directly related to mining, but a idea who here, Mampani ko kasembi. About flooding. Ebi ayeka. Mampani sichire no kai. Ye kan ya, ye bon krofodin. Obi aye deliberate say, ade wey, memana si. Aden me me kwa kutu se uyo hene o ho na wonte ase a me frustrate you enti na nyina wusu se mo kaya ya kan wasem what happen ya nyina wusu hene because ne ho no abuhu say within the area and ho na gold no dey a type an enti sika ohodia ohene no unyo age so be compromise de ne ye be kwan bi so frustrate you ti oho na ye secretary de ohema asma secretary say ko fa krata ikoma ohene say matu no na ye ya mamre mu na mo sika no kita oni hwe woni hui so enti chese obia ye na dwen se wo de won compromise a wontimi ne yentena yesi ye ni say wanya yentimi no ntena enti ne ye de krata akọ ye de letter akoma ne say ye tu saa kwa se kroma ye ti asan yen amamre mu ye de letter ne tu obi ka wahema bo ne kwadu se me ye de nkyira hema nti metumi otumi nti no me de krata abrɛw sɛ matu ade so na ye nam yi ase ye announcement ye ba ye we ase ai aye ya mu ye ayifo nyina usufo ye ka kyerɛ mo sɛ free na kɔ mu ni hene wa ha nipa somasi onyo hene ne aka ne saa ne agyato interest ne sɛ ba bia wo no wote sika so enti no so wo so wo mpene a ya nkase ye betata no kokotu na dinam ye bi ni asida bi me bɔ masase ho ban me nananom ba bia me nananom sunsum ete musi mi nkokotu fama gudie wo ho ɛho mpo me wo hene mi twamu a amamre ne sɛ me ntimi nhwe ho wo se me nkogu nsa ne nkokotu fama gudie ensensuo ɛma ya nananom ahonhom a ɛbɔ kuro yi ho ban no ɔmo ne minni ɔhene so onye hey oboa the member to the point that bambofo nyina I compromise enti corona yetimu no the better na South Africa from pamoye ya kan ohini bi te baabi South Africa for ibe obebo politician bi din and our politicians yet to krom say ohene so wani di uni abefra ka just na dey obabi ate no wote hoye dey and the system no amacha say niam bebre e na kekasi ani a ama say kremu ha e mabunu kra no mabunu ani da so mabunu wo kra kofem eti na obi nya Russia obekọ Russia obi nya Russia eno amini abako colleague bako west school o chat me nra minim so Russia na mse be ma waba na so hwe mbepeden just enra nopa me colleague na me ne west school was me ne Wesley college Miss Bema o si chale ye ni abrio braw krom na ntokwa wo Russia o si da bi me da so awa ha intine uko kodru denchira kodru nyina usu de mmerɛ bi ne yɛ ka wa ha yɛ se yɛ ka sɛ ɛyɛ saa de no na ama mutu saa na mo no na nkrɔfo no yɛ nya adwen ɛnɛ kɔhɔkɔhɛ yɛ funtum asase no funtum sase ne saa all because ya o si edidi ena mampani enra odi kwotu dwa asem we aka wa ha se yen system na ye nyina yetimu no yenia ene nipa ya bobodi nyina no kyerɛw se nkrofo interest nti oman ne kyekyere be den mampani ensuo ho asem flood na okoka ho asem one Ghana fo ewo amanone UK kohia town hall meeting ani ebusa sa mampani na nti kro ya timu oman Ghana ya timu a oman no ensuo etobia na ne yam hihye yan Ghana yen capital Accra. Enso ta my Ghana capital enso ta na yetiem adentia mampani kan yema mienu ye di makoten pa ne so say yenye discipline say te if you say ohene beton ohene obeton baabi a enu kwase esida ohene kwa koton na anu me kan bi wo ha me kan homa so de obi atoto ya ton ama obi ama nipa na to onim de osimesi oton wiye no enka assembly no so hwe say me ma permit na ye wo obi a no so ti assembly ho a ye di Ghana secretary ne ka so onya adwuma no so ama permit no ama permit jikosi adentia ono so interest
unfortunately Nana Misremu, our traditional rulers are selling plots in streams. We have places they call Ramsar sites. These Ramsar sites are wetlands, and they say that migratory birds come from Europe during the winter. They come and spend vacation with us in Africa. Then when they finish the vacation and it's summer, they fly back. And decided to protect the Ramsar sites because of the migratory birds. But let me tell you what the Ramsar sites do. They are wetlands. So when they receive the water from the Kwapim mountain range, the Ramsar sites are huge wetlands. So they absorb the water into the wetlands and discharge the water gradually into the ocean. So if you build and you fill and build, you fill and build, you fill and build, you are reducing the size of the Ramsar site, of the wetland. And so when the water comes, what is left cannot contain the water. And so it will overflow and flood people's houses. I've seen from the air, helicopter, a stream coming from the Kwapim range. And then it reaches somewhere and they've built across it. And so the stream has nowhere to continue. So it will flood your houses and flood houses of people behind. Now, when government takes action and begins breaking people's houses out of the waterway, the same people will say, hey, that's our problem. And part of the problem is the local councils and the assemblies. Unfortunately, our councils are not working as good as yours. You will find a house in a waterway and somebody signed a building permit for them to build there. Look at the Weja Dam. The Weja Dam provides about 30-40% of Accra's water. It has a spillway, and every year...
Weja, but when in the areas, a hot year, yet diem kroma. Mampani niama no aka wasem. First one. Aye, yana nanum binum. Enye wo nyina, in fact, enye na nanum nyina na yesa ade. Ebinum nani tua onimpa se baabi a ade yi. But also buy and ni nanum omomdi kan no my baabi ni baabi enti also create baabi e ma yetimi sidan. Nti uko kan yenka yebetata wo krom ho. Nti nsuom ye ne tua nsuom yebetwa de amount. Na de ono nso koto ye no a senka wonim. Na de onim mra no a ye de Ghana sikatua ne ka. E wo district assembly ho no. Wote ho. On kompon she. And under normal circumstance, there's a committee. Now the committee me can want them. Yes, a committee no. The DC and MC or war district now also municipal anymore. Or no chair that committee. A special planning committee. Now so OSHA committee na ni pet tesunya ni paketwa. Not more for a rep, EPA for a rep. Just say it's sometimes oh huni amani bia obusa ho say nanti school no eh den enwoma no eh den some of them, you realize that obeko masters in what? PhD. Ni sa niyema nyina akwa kwaje de aba. Oba, ni sika ne hia no. Or the Bible pay promotion. Adwuma no de wa improve. Or the pay promotion into na. Lodin so bi o school, papa school o kwei. Or call the abeboa ma. The na wonim no de koka ho abeboa ma. District na konanim, community na konanim a. Bacho dwen ho ye. Dwen ho ye ene se wo hwe nkrofo mo fed medication. Wo fa nipa 100 ejina ho a. Emu 90 be catch us say a promotion ti. A promotion because oba apply e be hwe o qualification ko okay, let's promote you. E ka promotion e ba no na nka adwuma no so nimdi a wanya wo apply no na nka e ko nanim. Ya wo engineers bebre wo district ni municipal assemblies bebre. Obuso omo qualification a obempo PhD nyina ka kire. But ovia ade a wode sa nim de ne beye no sabi SHS graduate kra no won nya sa ade no what did I make can say obia PhD enti ubusa se enti ye den e mo be na de breye na mampani ka ho asemi. Enti this committee crown the traditional council no more rep this committee assembly if you don't know unima ideally process will go through and sign your permit edu brebi na mpanimfo bi kra nim de fo bi ka se dodo listen edu brebi na mpanimfo bi ka se dodo etinka yente so no na asa discouraging crofo so mbenya permit nti obi ho he say me ko na yesi me mfa ha me ko yesi me mfa ha nti yente so enu mponi ene ani enu mpo ani ye wie na nadbofo na wo mo so rep ne ade wo so no mo asase so mo ne ma akodi akiri but asem no ne say mampani dia wakan eye na MMDCs no omo na chair sa committee e ka ho asemi enti say technical person no enya adwuma ni yi a politician no so ye ne beto so na o chair no so ye ne dan mampani say ye be transfer mo wo de nya transfer mo said there now no be kan onya asem ye be yimodi.
We'll sell land to people in the spillway of the Wager Dam. And so you start building. And then when the rains come and they open the spillway, your house is flooded with water. And he says, why isn't government doing anything about the flooding problem? It's because you went and built in a place you shouldn't have built. And so we need one to punish those who signed the permits for that. And so the district chief executives, I told the Minister of Local Government, we should find out who are signing the permits for people to build in these waterways. And my minister misspoke. She said we'll transfer them to the north. We're not transferring them to the north, we're sacking them so that it serves as a deterrent. Otherwise, we'll continue to have this problem. And we must have the hard heart to remove those houses that are blocking the waterways. And so if you see demolitions going on and other things, it's to protect the property of everybody.
John Twahene, Krumhanu and Krofope. And I'm Mammy John Twahene. I tell Pebby a honey beba. Politicians, so more John, I'm gonna AIDS. Oh, I'm in Bekasa. Why? Mene Bekasa, don't worry. Mene chief Bekasa. Say say ya wo engineer sa, wo mo so ye adwuma, ma ye nka wo onye omo nyina na enye obi mu ye adwuma. O se aha ye nsi ye kwakwa demolition. Na DC MP wa frɛ. Ewurade nyankopɔ. Politics nti away ye constituency secretary ne nua nti no monhwɛ na monya hu bibi ma no ade enyenye politicians no so no wo so ka ho bi we ya me kan engineer bi te be say John me ye adwuma ne Paul but me bre adentia ono ni nim de na wakɔgye no ono de nkɔde boa eso politician man kwan enti bi mo ho ma ba mabu omo ya magye so mba adwuma ne yie no oma ba mabu because politician e man kwan ma ne nye try ho produce permit ya try ni yesi dan ye adwuma no because pani bi afre yak akwawi oye branch oye polling station executive intino wan hwe ya ye na koye he party fo bedwa nti muma nsi na nka mumbre mumpɛ kwan bi so na mun kreti drains bi famfa ho ma no nanka ye de kɔto wan dem ye wie ne nsuo na fa he Bushafo kana Akoma so nie ni Evansin koma ba na wa hye suit kama nim so okoba bi dia
Senyon Michiao
wampa na mama kwaba wo
mama akwaba say also ye ni ye na so mitimi simu ye
say mi boni ye
boni ye na mi simu ye
Minia Evans Inkum.
Thank you.
Bema
yes
bibi aboko de
nyame adom oni edi ni ye ene ye 1 June me boa
yes
nyame ni edi ni ye pa ene ye kanti asefo ho so ti ase bibia ni ho a eso chan sade we enti e dolman ase na ya da papa omo no ne mama da bia mo paibo olman tie damase pa nana mo amahine ofa pivi ya da munya amase afi etiefo ya da munya so ase se muguso ene yetena na ene etiefo de becheme nyewo tifo de becheme se me late kakra
me de odi me head
yes ti
me odi me head
eno so tifo mo fa ncheme pa ne my late
odi me head
na ensem no wabru bebre so be se me sha ase free galamsey no ne cooperative responsible mining no nyamaye no na yaka dia besi omampani pia okupi mu English abrochime mu a wone Ghana fo ade hye susu edi nkomo a woka ensu yire hu asem Sejon ye problem pa ba ko wo man we say nimu ni say aban bia ba de aban dada no ye no de oyi bia nye oba bonten so oba bonten a sa no woka okotan dem de a we say adabi nyema bi wo a oye ya na ye but esan say wadi kan dia ye campaign say ade oye bia nye ninti no se uwrem kura na sade no ya na koye asom ne gon na koye diama no say obe iti the humble pie na waja tum say oh ade we die obone ho modern eti baby oye si ye no me to aso afiri ho a problem e wo man we say mu enti da bia de etia ne say oh aban no anya hwe aban ne nya hwe wonya hwe dia senka minyini senka obetwa 4 years impo you see consistently there be a kasa asem we say enye no kore da say aban bia wabetwa mu bia wanya hwe enye no kore wo ye niema no mu bi na mmom no ebi a bosha wo hye no ne niema a wo ye no ankoduru bosha wo hye no but ye can boom oh wanya hwe that has been a problem Sir John the previous administration bibia see a friend of community mining me hwe community mining pa na me hwe cooperative responsible mining aban si odeba me hu difference wo mu ayidin asesa no difference wo mu me hu difference bia difference wo mu ayidin asesa no so inti ka we mu ba ye monto aso enya afei na ye nas ye be hye bibia ase foforo ye ka se hye bibia ase foforo a di umu ane se ye de bema party for so aye boni bi anim monfo mu nwuram ba monto aso so ho sadie we edi oye ne kura ba oman we se mu minka yi nyina ya yenwa anim de si afie twam mu krofo papa krofo mu ofa krofo ma de hye ya hwere omo so kasabio ka omo ba yi no mo to aso a edin the party for bi wuram na de omo wuram no so ato aso ti sei galamsey ne kun ayi sei
so obi a
cooperative responsible man ye dey be ye hu di ayi sei
utie obi a preni di o
obi a na say
na pre ai bambofo ni bi nso pre politician pre
so obi a pre
so obi a pre bi
se be o check 4 years ni say ya ban atwa say we twa 2 years aka 2 years
we twa 1.5
oh
1.5 money.
No, listen. The whole of 2027 or a abato of you or prepare for abato and one candy and we 2 years in terms of election calendar year. So they say we 2 years. Or con a third year. So 2027, no. Room 2028, you know. Nanko fasha say from 2028 crowd there, can be anfa. From 2028 say his assistant John Dramani Mahama can some will be anfa nya asem bi ozu my say oh no odi wa ban atwam to can some na mobi kon achi eno na o kan bi obi ti
party for number can say
yes and also can be actual yes
ko ba bi na
yes you can be obi anfa nya adwuma bi so
no crowd I can
know your system I are building sure that is the system I are building. It is a research we say pass a joint me researching your man they forget it. Into research will be a view.
Oh, true.
Because this is the first time yenya or man penina he has nothing to lose because on could be constitution in man who kwans on could be constitution and man who kwans won could be so also could be what I say a year referendum because that clause in that particular constitution entrenched. Parliament means entrance in the sun. This is a Ghana for Nyatuaba. So they say. Inti say Intimia as a sansa and near me be samri. Say John, forget it. Forget it. With born in you. Na say John, Ubo Nanano Mudin. No question say.
Blue. Bezor, and I found some money. Komo. Say illegal money, I was money. Blue water gas one. But could be our number. Yeah, me see. You don't kwa.
Now, no blue water gas now. Okay, so funny. Obia,
I wasn't of
Obia, Yatru, so maybe I can so fun. Ninya mia. So they are say, we no crowd, Yanni, TD, Monocrane Checkoi. So they are say, Abba, show some share. Sisifia anwa no Ghana River guy anwa no dada ho kakra me hwa de wo se bibie wo bi o na we wo to nsuo ni mu dia se
fine
be that nsuo
na we wo tie nsuo eta from growth ya ko
thank you fe
na we wonu nsuo eda ewo bucket mu sei wo hwe kura na nsuo bebre no
oba bi din o se premier bi o se penny bi toffee ana
o se so obi si boss bi toffee
we dey say boss we a boss bi toffee
ana obi so se sikani bi aduan
we a boss bi toffee we obeta fere ho
me si we nsuo eta ho kro hwe ma na nsuo bebre
say we dey blue water guard
na na ya personal hwe
Oba so no mame ko ani mo yere so ho enti se no
mampani dia na na de
mampani aka yes senka ya confuse me
mesade wa ba mu no o so can be about
nanom yes nanom de no se John unim se enye nanom nyina
da bi
nanom bion Say or asase na se obetimi de ayi kua between kua and galamsey enye legal mining no enye se bia ye tu form a good year or kwan paso ekua ene galamsey obetu so galamsey because opisika ntem yakotoka 7 nanie nananum bio nya nananum nyina nji se wo sa na ate dia betimi ade ama ho edima kokot opisika no bi dia twa 7 na what dia fagels no nkran kitenkete no krum hasi ye friend say dragon any man a woman dodo no nananum bi na topa ye ma wo oh
adenchi wati
I mean kind of
ana drada
mesin nananum bi opa uye bi agema ho dragon the mia de go ade any say chichichile nananum bebiri nananum bi na eto ye ma wo mo it is a oton asase no de magalamsey fo no mu bi na onyane ka no tiremu no afi no akoto dragon afi ma no that is the reality. Sir John say obi a owo unse akuafo no mo ye koko ne bro ne manema no bebre no oya no mo ntampe omo unim sa no mo mpe omo ntoka sakese ne manema
oh yeah
yes obi okra no a alacha bi no dia bisi Sir John wode ba bisi ha me di e ba bisi ho obi pie ne e ka so piskani a obebu mi din enso minim we it is society no a shape ya adwin some way galamsey fui scaneba cars no motor cars akase o je cars unse omusu bandido na te say football players ni mu bio football player onya big contract bi na se scaneba no a je car akase ti obeto cars sa no afa ma no so sa it is a edu level bi a afi form no depend form no eba form a no asha ase tonton na japade it from grace we say shim no afford no investment it is a Ghana ye ka say ye peska na mka Ghana ni bilonia wa o say ka say obi osika ye hwe kasa wo oh Lamborghini wo bi Range Rover watobi friend say Lincoln Navigator waje Encroft Tesla owobi Ferrari wajibi Rolls Royce owobi eno an ye de eno an yesi o iskani but se udru Forbes fo ni mu na o hwe enema omo wa se jo assets o we fo sei we be factory sei because Facebook hwan se Zuckerberg so hwan Sejon nanse me hwe ka bi o yusu Sejon scania ye wiase nyina so na di first or di second o se ka bi o yusu wo begina ha o hwe ne ho bi sebi won hye t-shirt bi ni tese so simple so enso so Sejon ni sika mo kota kra no Ghana ni bia ni ho kromo so sika edru no
ana he so no omo de no de ye
so etiye society no a shape your mind no in a certain way it is obia and I say Ghana for so you perplexing pa se kakra ba nsem obeso obia won se kakra ba nsem into obetoka iti hu uskani na eba no ka uskani bele makacho say omo muska pa no they are not even driving those flashy cars. That is not to say untimin chemi de memfa misika nya dabi. But what we are saying is you're prioritizing nyema more of in economics they call it ostentatious goods. Obutinku. Masa ne wo economics na mempe but anyman we all mekai. Yeah, time no say John now to me subject back free we mu akoye. We economics free.
We free.
I na maso. na call no kwana timi touch an kam yi mass free
well mass the onya
the man can reading nko so Sir John that is the reality. That is the reality. It is Sir John say until say Crowe mu no last time I can say be and me says isubiu there should be a deliberate attempt to say aban no o man penny otisui won nananom betra se nananom baby a eduru no yen shase se be utilize yen sase no yen nane yen sase nani they are saying yen dane dan yen already nim say o ma shase o moye na yen nyemfuo Sir John
e was that kwan
Sir John ya nyemfuo hwe se oman kronkron Ghana sebi na manama kura ye kra na manama o ye kra ye moade de bakrumu abewe ye moade na nsen ye nuano mo muslimifo ADA o mo sale na ntwe dodo no aye kra na de bakrumu ha free Burkina Faso ni other areas any de bakrumu ase. And this is a country ye pride say ye the hope of the African continent, the hope, beacon of hope. Ghana this year to me could in senseme or South Africa cry to me bomb obesia imlibi ye momuska Ghana this year to me could in senseme or it is a John say yan tenase na yan reset ya adwen so a saa ne ebeko
ampani say no yan ka say you be transfer the wako north you be yiwadi omo technocrats na omo issue permit anyhow say ebinum nko de do omo mfa ho kra o we de kosi na de ono so be na so ye adwuma ni yi no de obe na so be adwuma ni yi no politician be catch and say bema you don't know what you are doing.
Yes.
I'm not catching the plane.
Oh, not a man control say
you don't know what you are doing.
Some time ago, Obi catch a politician, me say, we my scamming could deal or say, ye project. A project and can to a ma. We. Yes, be a say, me jinaho. Any panel shiny DC and my catcher. So my scamming could deal as a project. A project and can to a ma we. So they say, you see, ye per flashy things. Ghana, hey Ghana, ye per flashy things. Ye per flashy things. It's the biano. Ye planning na koye ad hoc. Short term. We don't think medium to even long term. It dina ye short term and it DBD. At the change ye, it do her nyamina behe. So they say, inti. Krumu ha say no.
Okay.
Nyame na nim edoso. Nyame be kire. Nyame be kire ni doso. Because obi a pe flashy 10. Sofo enye sika. Ka sofo a sebiu uji nyame di. Honkonkono ewo so abowasu. Onye sika obeto ka kese no ye baako. Afei obepa bodyguard. Obeto car no pe bodyguard to preach here bodyguards need now oba bodyguards need in chi. Yes,
we all see
Ishewajapade was yes, but no this or no shishani there was as so talkers I can see. You see
now
okronfo bi nkofa but no the no shishani there no wa
what is show crying
yes. So they are saying, so the way there no ye society no a shape your mentality no. Me say ye because so agina ABC mu until say ye best sa every any maybe home. Had you know Sir John? Now flats no dear no. In the baby ho. Sir John, ya can wa your man penny cannot de ya tiabre. nukure wo mu no olumai dia wo kan ya te ayabre 2012 in fact 2008 2009 na oye vice president na wo ho yete 2012 obeye president yete uko opposition di obedi wade yete eni waba yate abre ma action no nkasa
so say action so na action e koso
action no
na
yeah
chow for no edi akire.
yes no but you see
go Ramza site dia okay ya demolition start o is an action
no kwase
but obi be tetie mako
sebi you ranom ye nananom obi enu eto abayi no
ba mo so
ye nto abayi na
omo so ye campaign
ade a enyenye listen ade a enye na nye
omo so ye campaign o
tie se wo anye niema ni yie na se wo se bi obi a hye chachaw ade enye no wepa ho achew na wahwe ne wahwe saa se enye saa no a wo de wo 4 years beso kwa kotena fi
ba no so to aba o nkrofo
o se wo nkrofo a nkrofo no mo no so nchen Ghana fo they make not here
50 plus 1 50% plus 1
50% plus 1 e betime wo betime wo 50 nim but the be a plus 1 no no onye wo hu nipa they make not here onye nana no hu nipa 50% ni de obi a wo mu na plus 1 no sa nipa ba kono e bia no e floating voter a ono no hu ni say o there be enema bi o ho a ankoyi sa nipa no onfa cha no ho ni mum no auto na ba based on nyema odi nani hu nti be kwatia
right minua ba ko a so a security personnel level American Auto Parts anymore
nabi
odin ho kwada so
okay
so tie pa
ye chia no
friend ifa yamwa
ye chia
yamwa ye chia pa Beluji anopai watua na also te car bi mu na car no number AS 645-18
okay
at the time na oludi from Apromasi to Tech
yes ye chia no
nti ye chia no pa driver ye chia o
ene ne ye dru ho ne ye be chia die grace
yes
die
grace
Ivandi
hostel na chipe ye chia o munyina e chia o munyina enti Evans where politics me yes our politics no but maybe who ni say ade no ba kusuro when this statement no
and this me who say statement be but I just so brief for me here because honestly me who say statement be about bonten yes na no kwasem say me say me reading over the weekend but weekend in my busy
yeah
pa me nanam sa intimi ankan ti escape me it is enka obetim di mafamu a dan e bi betimi afa
me do be fam
yes
me do be fam by or sembi so by way a council of elders
almost say
almost nkrofo ya ade no dodo
say omope president edi no na se o man hyase ampe no samre ya
di o mu ni say ba kusuro
sa among omope no
ba kusuro
among omope no
sa ade no mai ba ku frechire na se de wasi apima wura mu no
Joshua Alabi na wakana se
Joshua
Alabi Professor Joshua Alabi se omope ni ato forcing epe chief of staff epe Johnson Esidun Ketia epe Eriko Poku epe Haruna Idrisu epe Professor Jena no Poku Ajima epe Professor Joshua Alabi epe de one me twom 17 no same people no me 17 de me twom 17 so far 2026
but ebi mo ha
enipa 7
ebi mo ha mo pe ba ro mo nko
omonko ado so so far omonka so omo enko enti emfa no so mu nyina epe so enti se nipa 7
but
nipa 7
ya de na mankrofo abuhu no krata we ababonten
Professor Joshua Labi
because ese edun ketia simu no so obi ahu
obi ahu
me wa
no crest no kwasem
you kroma na ye jogging wo ha ye
Julius Debra say kura de say o hwe sa aburi pepo no dia is aburi pepo no nim Julius Debra oduru ha no say akwaba because wafura jogging
ono no ti simu no
yes
panifo hu wo kroma
yeah jogging
na no Professor Joshua Labia TSM na say am say papa no o geni grounds
wono so oba no de ayi ne bae o de Ibrahim Mahama play ne bae oni Ibrahim Mahama ne bae eno no mo ba ohene ne okwa da okwa asori ko da nyame asensi prince ti o mesin koja ohene enti Joshua Labi oye board chairman of the Ghana Commercial Bank oni Ibrahim Mahama ene bae de Ibrahim Mahama play no ne bae enti no so ya na de ahye
enti me hu ade yi me ye call bi call ya so many panic o jai say no mo dwen say na ma di kan
na no say manga executive ko so mu ache so obi e kasa o hwe Mustafa Gbandemun kasa o mo kasa uhu ba bi e ko Joseph Yami mo kasa no iso ma start bom uhu ba bi e ko so ho atofo senso na nsan obeto bombu bi say His Excellency the President of the Republic during the campaign period or share a friend is a fobo omo banks igui omo ko adwam or share omo boss wo ba obi twom sika mo ato force says kanu muntua so they say yeah Kodas banks
Aye. Say ayi de wet.
Ato force
DDP
and any DDP as an American.
Bond holders
any bond we Kodas banks. Ato force so muntua. So they say eti ni nyina ye o say no say no so eti a comma constituency bi omo so be omo de enti no so de agene point yo ho ayi Haruna Idrisu na nsen so onso akoto bombo Tamale area ho
okay
say yukufo no a anyway mu amomu din de na nsusu ni ba bi ekọ ya chiwa na de bill kakraka atutiri so no eno so enye lawful
mene ne ya adwen
so they say
no mene ne one muntaka na make that comment in fact parliament kro kasa sam
enye comment keke o say John say
me no mo ya adwen
ya me say but when me be say John say ugura political sunsum wi ase no a wadwen be yo so we dey mere comment but ugura mu so yen ya ugura political sunsum wi ase no so unya sani so ade hu na ugura mu yi a it means a lot we because say pregnant pa enti Klaus ne dey asha ase gada converge
but me dey
so they say
me ubusa me
converge take shape
dey ba ni nyina no
say regional election ne kura no anu so abawura mu
na of
why gina you say Julius Nkrofo wo ho ato force mu dey you say no yes at the regional level ne dey nipa mienu na you say no eko Julius Nkrofo na Johnson Siedu Nketia Nkrofo so inti say no so no buga no so koso papa
inti dey wo mu say amanfo say na Nkrofo bi hu so madikan but bi mutisi mu no
omotete
sign so hu say ade no za ho man
figures no dane
krata na behwim ban
I say e friend say elections you can say was it 2016 ana as I say and I say as I say I do afa de no I do a wini ade na wi sana police stations bi wo boom na fi ade na sesa
ebisi wo Akoma dan ebisi Akoma dan ebisi Akoma
so Caesar on Caesar fa afi police station bi babu na Dr. Fred Chi
Central Front Plains
that time no crocodile odan chema time no it's na 2020
enti ɛno yɛ deɛ teɛ no no nti no Marfo sɛ mo deɛ mo di kan na Professor Joshua Alabi TC mu a
dynamics na start
afei deɛ okay mame nka messages kakra about Facebook ɔse Richard Mate ɔse Evans the chief will call you to their palace. There's an another befrel. Another befrel and sinkum tieni pa why? Another befrel do ako. Ose
mamona na bi edin. Eti omo befrem yi omo ahati. Mamona na bi edin. Eti omo befrem yi omo di for asase mu ese ono.
Obekom ho mu ba.
Mamona na bi edin.
Obekom ho mu ba. Okay. Adam inu agye nimbo aten. KT or say good morning, Sir John. Or security personnel or more use galamsey no to better themselves, not to fight it. Oh, Sir John, me there. I don't pay counting tin the hamio. Kenya nunti and come grand coming few as I'm here counting tin. Or some boy untina mesuma kabi. Befi bantam or say okay, Sir John. I know you're idiot no. Okunkom the no CMC no nchechi mu no ntonosum. Derek Asanto say the rate at which speed rams omo ye wa dijama 2 abesoa no e ha dwen pa adan DC bi any area ho ana DC ho mammo ndi efra no Ayamba ona DC ho ye afano south east nti DC no menua me kra me so me DC ya no anyway nti no eno ho nso so e de no na Evans, yes, na nanom befrew. One for cousin na nanom befrew. Inim do akan on kan hwe. Na say won kan hwe. On kan hwe because ye kan na make kan idi. Nyina usudie. Ya nyina usudie ya say wo hini. Aman for mo tata no so mo ma. So obedi hini na on man krofo metu from agudie de ne. Ye de krata betu no. The Atrolete secretary at the Abreza Matu. Ya can ho cruise. A jamafo ewo from a swat or chilcrum. They say, John Mitium program no come power ha, Yadama say Monso Munya bre. Namudi Gana Hong Komo. And yamwa wine. And yamwa wine and na ebeka. I'm so for you bet you waba. And I out there. Blue water guard for no musli na here wo. Na nyanga wa se ohwe awura we pa na so nto wonko gina onwura awura mu a we. Yenye serious o, yenye serious pa, yenye serious, yenye say serious. Aba nza mo china me pese ye di dwuma bi. Njo china mo nye ready. Some piece no omo ekaso omo ke school no mkoya nkomo ma kwan me boa. So ma kwan na no.
Yes, on ma kwan na.
Nyame admo china.
And no resume.
Oh, ma resume last week.
Last week, okay.
But omo ba recess no. Bese me hu say u MP. The okoya of parliament nyina no bebo wa mane ana.
Okay. Okay.
The Okoya of Parliament, Fanese for himself, yana be about 5-6 months. The Okoya Yina, or China me Adoma, who do it.
Media, media, obedient, I'm a tenant.
Obedient, I didn't come.
And I would, and not Macquaman, dear, not Kofi.
No, but who dear,
and baby, I'm a tenant, I'm intimidated.
What's he?
To quite as
MP one tenant can. It was China Pacho ready. Yami had more China production. Yeah, notice adi we. Or China. Yabema coin. Ama wu one pino. Your koye yen no odi amrano a wakoshe because amrase bedwam so mrano ye omo sha. Wo kan MPs na ye. E drum de amrase bedwa no a. Omo nko. Asem we. E kai say say Chairman Sabusu, former MP.
Yes. Former majority, minority.
Yes. Or can once say a drew Mrashana Nkasa. MPs ni bebre na Emma parliament. But oko no constituency na ebusa nsem puntu ma say mo asram nsem nkɔhye mmara. Mmara ne mudu do sen na MP ni bae no. Wa beje time akire mu say we ni na mkoye ye. Me contribution ni. Me kan we ene ye di we to ha. Me so otena me di kan ade atum because MPs ni bebre wo krom ha. Ene wonye ya ne akwanya wo ho. Hyase ne fa PA system na fananti wo constituency. Ye kohye mmara miensa. Mmara no we sisi. Say be ya otena be nya bia kan ma wo. Yami adoma sa adwuma no ye be ma mentwa mo homra na ye nto aso me ba sisi ye
Mami Ajwa, pesi yenko krom. E wasi ye kototo bibia wo de beko senior high school ansemra so. Ma, how be cranny. That's you be brain. Na masanso so yan mo juju. Enough ko be ho me I fit me. Omo nyina di kan register edupak dada. Me pesi metomo. Wo so o register edupak. Na edin so no.
Prospectus Ghana and edi inshishi aba and a Ghana Education Service agiatum. Among kwaleni na eko SHS foforo. Na nsen die ehu hia se wo beku dwaso. Wo bedu school no hono. O trunk, o mattress, o pillow, no chobox. E wo school no dada e twen ho.
Sisi ya be ni say.
Ye hia no say you may dial star 713 star 821 hash. And now see a beco abe from Time www.edupacgh.com. We are true thing. What means so aquacutia ewo ADB branch bia ebeye. A bonus so edafo. Our for who house we na etra. Edupac abba. Ama SHS. Our boy I am ready.
Daddies, them say we don't know how to.
Ejanamu hu hia awo ya setena mu. Eno nti ene yi dasi ho. Ede kai ye ejanu. Be kai ho. Kwasiada 21st June 2026. Na ye nyina ye nka mom. Enkyere ni so emfama ye ejanu. Dwumadie yi be koso e wa Asokwa Municipal Assembly. Parker ene Makion edi animhwe. Dwumadie ahodo pi na be koso. Free medical screening. Enim di fo ba be ye kyerɛkyerɛ. Ede afa adwene mu apomode ho. Ye bedi asa, ye bedidi. Ni agye ni. Eno ti bra. Le ye nyina ye nka mom. Na ye ma ye janom wonani enji. Siane nso sɛ anwamo akansie kyenkyerɛnkyɛ bi bɛkɔ. Bɛka ye ho 21st June 2026. Ewa Asokwa Municipal Assembly. Parker ene Makion edi animhwe. Awia dumienu. Na ye nka ye janom ewo kwan soronko so. Ajapa ye da wase.
Happy Father's Day to you. Happy Father's Day to you.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Right, I'm for da masema makwaba. Evans Fatala no ene awura me ka kyerɛ wo. Awura senne. Ye bodin awura senne pa Fatala na mfata.
We be fata ne, we are sure.
Awurade Nyankopɔn. Senne pa no ne. Ene Fatala na anya yi a. Ahun ebe yire pa wo kroma pa.
Ebe fatal pa.
Ebe yire pa. Enti mpacho bomoden se Fatala no nso beji bie. Na aboa wo ye coil. Ene ye wo ni spray. Ni nyina ka bom ekum. Ntontom pamon tontom. Emo na wo mo ni na nam ho na mo ha adwene nyina no. O se wo mu ekọ. Edi o mawu. Ko mo so musu di awu. Nti kum wo mo. Ye de Fatala na ye sa de yin. Mbacha obomoden se o so coil no na spray no so edi dwuma kama de fa coil no fa si ekwan na no sa se de be ya ebetimi ai we no hu wisie kumo se de nkrofo de ne tie no a wisie na namu na uti na wansi ni ade nti bomoden se o so be kɔ na fe o so wagibie ura shop aso pe Fatala why yes also a friend number 0599315600 0599315600 eno de tie enso eno no Angel Rock Mixture rock me Angel Rock Mixture no enso so ewo ho a eboa mo amatenka me ma na amatenka kofem no munyinam why momfa Angel Rock Mixture ni bi Angel group of companies that they abadwa so sisi ye wo ya onso so hia bi pomoden wa wo trans che driver for mutie ma no pen is e kwan no potholes bebre so be kwa bane bra wa bre amana bebu bom ne abufuo de hye kokonya asem ketwa potholes kroma potholes ya can ya can na so ma come home koye 1 week no ma say your money say na maka say me de me so me can na ma say jam kakra na ma hwe say wo be ya wanya ni asaba ni abeka na no me kan ya omo ye oyi tafo ne na yi ni omo start omo ye be bo ma ba so ye na nka yesi o nka dwene nka nya ni o say ade no nsuo to 20 se nsuo no tire na wo ye a sao ndi do awa fo mon kafra why mon kafra no pay nti anya obo joint na ye wa personal joint ready nyankopon but all the per angel rock mission be why we are pharmacy shop any herbal shop na gibi open for the o de nyabo transfer o ma bofra no for nyabo transfer 0244186612 0244832286 na ne omuni nkomo na eba so what is say I'm say GPRG for so meto fam what 20% I'm say
e best starting yami adu mochina Tuesday second is second yes said that some so mutum and na amaso you see the reality is that enema no start a year week akra I feel now we are beginning to feel the impact of the war now as I speak to you now me no can say Bank of Ghana freeze monetary policy reduction operating and no you the buy a local market and a commercial market level and interest rate see 14% my imagine say omo and money Marfo and yes economy be crashing into almost sustaining a kakra but me if there's going to be any changer a beer the baby say interest rate in Mombekoslo said this week commercial Wednesdays no mere MPC meetings and on this week DBC but as at last week no imagine say monetary policy rate no on manage na 14% or almost anti subio e be gina hono dollar no so am animus kakra but you see Sir John prepare woman say I don't know what is happening but evidence by Kwame Woody Lily rice really a month ago me turn 160
okay
last week me go turn or Malcolm 210 okay. Into there are a section of the public are almost say yes dollar no dey above form okay for now ne a boom say rise there but any too significant kakra bi but oko commodity market no and I say enuane so oko pay aduane a me who reflection o because market just lily rice it turn 160 last week we got turn 210
160
yes
that's huge
yes
Baba.
Yes Opa come correct yes
50
yes
difference in
say also so when yes ubusa me massa sama check it different check mami 160 to 210 mami club ya
mama can dey ewie mama can 50 cities
okay say 160 crown 240 all the 10 can 50 so they say so these are the realities and I don't know but there's something I was say if maybe I don't know but government knows also oman and you see any other focus okay inflation above for more you who the books mu but to come market na so you it was a government ma omo any ba sadia no so se bibi na ema buyers na so at the various retail markets no omo to sa ne manimu na so omo hwe because the dollar will form na say me ko to from 160 now could do 210. Come on.
Okay, so you better try to find out. Last time there was an expert now can say enter into the middle of the year now. Na it's a multinationals and other companies.
Yes. It's in your pressure. Say economies we can say your friend is saying you go fill movie and I say you're mining a concession CB ma Ghanania we say in 3 years cry.
And
I'm coming. Don't worry. Let me address him properly. Menfreo. Sorry, I say in 3 years cry. We. Ibrahim Mahama I mining for how long? For so many years.
Yeah.
Oko Liberia crown, I think so will be who said then. I stand corrected. Enti enya hwe krebetim di Ibrahim Mahama example. Enya no kred da. Se Ghana for intime nye. Enya no kred da. Ye dia no ya abro. Ghana ni ya you problem with it. Eti si adbema Ghana ni aye no. Ye bekwa koma obibini. Sorry, ye bekwa koma bruni. Ni aje ye percentage
10 15.
So they say na nipa ba ko fo no ayi no atocas they aka no they pema na Ghana fo yi nyina ni ebre o ma men kama na se no kuro mu no no basa no ha na be kan se ne tie ayempa ni fo animu bi nya de omo ya no sika ya no de oba ya kwacha Dubai no adia na yere kura ne makwa hwe omo de omo ya no
wadidi
wa diska ni bia empa ni fo animu bi
chiremu yi
so enti ono ko ba diska na gudi boto he Sir John me say your mining sites in na your farmer Ghana for no money.
I agree.
Obi ane dia so bia me renew Ibrahim Mahama fantastic. E used to agibi do for agi. Me say last time I say
youth good fields.
Last time I say omonya no a political. So what you say MPP ni na ono so betimi aye o capacity to betimi aye na mu di concession ni bia ma no. PPP no bia ma no. Nana Kwame e wa ha. APP one also so you have any capacity yes
me man bibia mebusa
me na busa anya na busa me na busa na kofa san komani bai so that's the APP one also so why then what man be because anya kura no Sir John say baby ani Ghana ni na eye mind say wo ho a Sir John Ghana fon kwa no be fa wo Ghana fon kwa no be fa wo so what you say
and then now
obuase Ghana fon kwa no be fa wo mo dunkwa se bi wo ho a Ghana fon kwa no be fa wo mo bogoso Ghana fon kwa no be fa wo mo eti kakra ne yeso yenya ba bi agina na yedi ni nyina be ma abrofu yi ne ekomu kromu a omu nya sika no na yedi sika no omu di sika no ko mu krum omu ko develop yo
me se no ne ye kan se baby ewure yi sa be sinti ama dollar
nipa ba ko pe
you cannot give him
ono kwa ni interest wa chika crash in botum na Ghana for your destiny ni nyina no aton de nipa ba ko pe na de ko Sir John that thing has to come to an end because you say obi apreniti ye de me maka say e Ghana ni bia ko ka say oh yempamu we say the South Africa for no ye no ye de be famra kwa so na emom no ye japade ne de I was saying
protect. And I will share a graphic anymore. Diamond Gold invests $250 million in mining equipment. This is you, Ibrahim Mahama.
Sir John, Mahmoud Mamusu asem. Okay. Ababa oya no wo akreya obidi ade born ani ewo abrepo.
I.
Me pacho na se ne bai wan ehwe no.
Of course, Ibrahim Mahama.
Good. Eni mate say nansana mebusa lady no yese o wabrochire enye hwe kura no abusua no nyema sesa okay ayi OPK imprai so miami krom kwa miampi edi ase no kafa ne ho so they say stories in the doors Sir John, yes, there are others. There are others almost why they are benefiting. They may come na kwesi nyina ne say, yesi ukrom pete. Eyo namoa, ebiye de, ebika. Ye japade no yemfa ma ye ankasa ye kromufo no. And of course, me says it should be you. It shouldn't be political. And you say bia NDC wasunti, ye ni na NDC for nkwa de bi. Ebasa no a yesi didija enimu na nenam MPP ni bi bone homodin wo ya ade a mani bi yen panifo ya adonkomo a friend is saying a Dr. Obibini Black Mine more Tabia more. So mention them almost deliberately. Ya peja womo. Ya you are billionaires. Sa system na Russia for equity you. Abramovich, bam, yes, Abramovich a period say. Woto we, we are or this kind in answer for Russia. It's a young billionaires. Oh, Krumha. No, so to me, borrow other African countries. To call ye man, scano, beba.
And yeah, king. Daily guide him. We mining in some front page. In Ghana for more. We a 250 million investment to transform that mine to a mine.
Yes.
Now, equipment I wouldn't have far what
yes.
Call site.
Yes. And you
heavy.
See equipment no they banning now see Ejuma.
Ejuma.
Because all be fan crop for good. Omobe eden we be chewy. Anya hwekura no. Say Ibrahim Mahama Ejuma wo ho ne ehu development we can go after him.
Exactly.
Ukrum heya. Oni baby obedwane akọ. We can go after him. But broni no ye na ade ahwedehwe those areas are omo ajejeje yama omo lisa omo tu from a good year. You the level of development or it is school back.
Good.
Near you
we a local company Heath Goldfields. And so amount really say 20 million 5-year community development plan.
Absolutely. It's way
now we answer Bogoso.
Yes.
Na foreign company. I'm saying from Canada will say UK. Na staff a year about 8 months. Now we
yes
we Dr. Kamara for
we 5 year or say 5-year community development plan we are measurable.
Yes.
Year bia the omo be
na none the teacher almost sign document near you.
Year bia no the omo be no. We can measure them here. Oh, you cream. We can follow up. Sorry, I say. Me say it should start from somewhere. It should start from somewhere. It's here for my Ghana for manage. Na yede ma Ghana for manage. So yamfa policy bi so ntato. Se ne be ya say ebia there's going to be any change of bibia krana. Nobody will go after them.
Exactly. Sebia, yes.
Nobody go after them. It's MPP bar or no so be any there. There's a policy. Nobody. That's almost free. So nobody goes after them. You go Ghana say no. Inipa no be aya before. Beye abroni beye. Say ebeka ye krom ha pa na ye nyina ho beto ye de ene ye mfanko obi mefanko. It has and ade we awo ho free tete. Ghana for ye beye no. Banyami adom yebetutu sa beye no
edin
enu am ye so ka chem se me meti asore a omba nam so ma se nye unti meti asore ye unti na meti asore no so dey ase
because
boa dance for you to ye no
ye tie krom he ya
yes
utie friend Julius Malema ho sane friend
why
Julius Malema, yes, I
for before for example, I don't want to hear anything.
Maybe. Listen. Can send me? I was a 2
No. I said, be no, but I said, no, South Africa to Nipa.
Say,
be you so before for.
Would allow me? Just would allow me.
And can't hear me.
And you when you camera and baby is in the one or
you see, I'm not trying to gag you, but listen.
Maybe I say, can send me? No, can send me? Or say. Ghana for by Okoshia South Africa for say Ghana for any pattern with the call. Or maybe a creative 300 jobs and there be because Serge Manoa Omo Amusu Omo Yapam Omo Bayano say a kind of tree or say a Juma phone. Wamo Bano on Kwasum no Mobaye Juma Om Kwasum. Ayen kwasuma juma enomba beye. I mean, so what ya? Ghana ni na wakona South Africa how? Oba no almost say try mpo say adwuma na. Omba momo ya etie krom South Africa for etie adwuma we munya because ye pa adwuma e be me ye krata. But say adwuma no omutimi ye kra ye ntu omoka.
Oh neighbors. You said they take jobs. I ask the question. 300 Ghanaians went back to Ghana 3 days ago. Show me 300 jobs which were created after those 3 Ghanaians left. Say no, Mahama took 300 people back to Ghana. And as a result, here are 300 jobs that we created. Because what are 78? Which jobs are they taking from you? Who wants to do these jobs that these people don't pay for? Because these people who come from outside South Africa, they are the ones who do those jobs during harvesting season in Stellenbosch, where they are not paid anything. And you will never want to do that job because we know our rights. We don't want slaves jobs. We want jobs that have got appointment letter with benefits, with pension funds, a letter that can confirm that you are economically active. Not jobs that are going to exploit South Africans. That's why you will never go back to take those jobs.
You see? All this Edumano. South Africa for yes, Edumano no more yet. A Juma, woman from Krumba, Kwasumu, Womuba no by Edumano. We will cry, we are crying to Omoka. So the point is, yam build the idea. Yama yam crop for the near Jumano, no munye. This time, we have the men, they are here. Me cannot wahi. Woman a Juma be say 1 year. Now building a kama. Branty Jan Naso. Ya what way, or feeding crop. Oh, and you know, I agree with Evan Sinkum that Yama yen suyadie, yen yomuye. Yenya born in the way a trimuno. But so my politicians, Libya, won't you? Ubaka say, I there be on one in a jumaye. Share, I'm on focus here, but not demo a plan is a quawi. Kwanwe ni mfano mfaso. Yemuna Juma.
Apino collapse Apino Juma. Boache mattress. That has been the system.
To come out to survive 10, 20 years.
Yes. Now Ujana. So 80 say ye pese ye reset year
20 years. No,
oh yes.
20 years.
No, I was here.
No, Ujana so pa.
Instead see begunu ye mwa ni nyina. So that is why some people are so peeved, including some of us. Say Banksy, no crime for be and give it him their faso. No crime for be and give it him their faso, Nejina. So, Nejina, and me, Omo Mufio Munya Jumanye. You go Banksy, give it him because ye timidi a Sika, the good bank and the doors will change the bit me bank Nejina. There be na koya nearby.
Era Hosem, but ye diano. Politician person onya sika sen. Politician no person onya sika. Sen obi a ono no invest. Obi a oye investment. Politician person ono person onya sika sen no. You see politician no ono na bia anka bosome na katua. O calculate to ho a emfa ba bia no. Ono person onya sika. Nti so obi ye entrepreneur bi obi investor bi na oye na adwuma na so onya sika na ye ne ya ne ha no
ne ha no unim
na nka the politicians, how many of them? Few people be na one said that say or building crofo few
unim de bi modwene nyom nyina unim bi modwene. Okay, so say MPP na teso a na se bi a MPP I try to say bi a omeboa ebi omon crofo ni mu bi a NDC ba obe target too because wo no nya sika ko o de ko MPP amanasa aba power biu into was a target too. NDC so eteso na so no so boa ne nkrofo na say almost nye sika na MPP ba no almost so be ma start target almost there be. You see, that has been the system. Eti yen adwen no nye nationalistic say o there be ade no Ghana ni ya ebeboa yi nyina Ghana ni ya ebeboa yi nyina but say onim for me sa perception e kra no I say scientifically no it doesn't play any role. Says can be influence vote unless of course it be a your empirical evidence be to prove. Pipacho, I'm time for Ibrahim Mahama example. Ibrahim was for time na onyeska me boy.
Yeah.
Yes. 2012 ni nwane be president. 2016 when free akonya no so. Sata no niska.
Okoya.
Sata no niska.
No ska.
Be de no kwa kra be example. Se Ghana focus say wo ya reject wa. Ya reject wo. NDC tisui say 2028 Ghana focus say mo ye be reject mo. There's nothing they can do. They will try but then fa. Because ukure tumi na uje mu a ya nti ube try say nka ubeka badodo no ase da bi kofie ubekọ eti mamo maye nya aburo emu ya America say na a month ago me turn 160 and makoto ni 2010 no enye me nkwa na mato ubia sa brand no to bia no won so kwa the same ade no beto won so be complain it say we are buying na say wan hwe kwan ade be fa so a na complain na say that ko tan radio so ubetina opposition 50 years 40 years 50 years 40 years because and they would did you refi say John you will laugh at the wrong side of your mouth ebe you say sini when you be ba ho so no na otifie so that's here enti omo aban mu no and say John it brings me to my next line of conversation na no ada you call Sami Jemfie yi mami yi akwa bi ya dibi na no ho ye mesere na Kenneth by ya na me ne ka ho asem kakra na no so share the story so already over can na asem hwe onim Sir John now I understand why NDC omon crofo no bi make us a form for no bi no adwa no wonim say and you see you always enyanwanwa say field marshal nipan mu bi bonabaso kind of has and all of that because of nyeme bi a ekoso baby wonim say gamai we tamwa NDC wo position no a very friendly pa no ye very very friendly enra Saturday no me hu no abijamfi eyi na se talk back kukuta no ayi security for no cramo friend saying sa talk back aya na ayi phone ya national security for use back kukuta no em say one yamano dwumadie bi me say me too specific na manfo adwen akọ ne so yes ni amano dwumadie bi
na odi
no penifo no mba ye no pani bi ebi achi pani pa
osimizo sif ma huni pa okana
so ti ase pani pa sabi oye ya maame na akwa no eja me hu me nua o me na oho te sai because time mo position no ye me nua na oho te sai na unua ase o kai was one kai o na say John him dey me de pa ne say gamai we onya position kura onya appointment kura me friend da because me here be free ne ho but ya na first obi hu obi a unyi wani ameka oh chale oho te sen So despite sani cold reception no, the name is dese my friend input that. So and the same thing ena obeye achre ono ankasa ne nkrofo mo form oba be line no. Some of the appointees, they are not well connected with omo ankasa nkrofo mo form, and they are complaining. Inti wadwen you say wene no when your appointment be anya bibi kakra atubutum make em kra be a high apartment be ama hold them. That is okay. One day the people will show you pepper.
Right.
One kasa be who smoothness level.
Will show you pepper. I me asma okay. Ebi ni mo ho a ohu omo a se wan share ho so a
Una me say John na me kwa de
nkoma obedi wa chire
na me say anawo na nim me say akwa on deserve o ma bibiri na me ni ma bibiri say wo
wo say si
wo
wo say si wo say si
ready nya go
na debut na boy Evans
you see Sir John you see here we a politician now even your opponent even your opponent Samijan fi na no memende na fekwa people who once upon a time fought with Samijan fi on air omu nyina bajo dobe bodom unima de ba kwa kire me ye wo na se defend ye parties a eno de eyimugamu
na
memo ni efiri ho a ye nua no and to come na bi ni Samijan fi nkon ye okay omo asempa omo issue no come and see na bi ni Samijan fi MPP pani bia no wo krom ha bia eko was there Saturday no wo Samijan fi asew na say civil society organizations omo heads ni mu bi they were all there because onu ankasa or conducting you hear Samijan fi asemi yone agrada asemi by say John, and I'm going to tell you this udi unimi but be an phantom from him. Let's share this with 2 minutes. Oh yeah, 2 minutes maybe second it about. Let's share this. Meaning say be a can cry anymore. Unim dem asem na ewuye. They are Jubilee House. Empenifo tena sa asem ne so no. Videos some review to make judgments. Media houses are obeka se omoye anti they are perceived to be anti NDC media houses no na omunye kemi ma Samijan fi say oh I say with the Samijan fi onye boni bia and mo am follow story no during those days you know you will attest to it say there were some pro bia obeka the pro MPP media houses bia no mo kemi ma Samijan fi. So the narration was that na say omokron be ba hye Samijan fi no kura ka say Samijan fi nye boni bia. Why must we even continue with this particular case? Any civil Samijan fi because onu ankasa no aside the public bia base bia or communicate for the party na wo shi opposition na bi obeye wo no musi for mo amoye na fofo be bi obehye obia no obehye onya sa akwa no ayi hu no so they are saying enti think about that because one day o party na power no
think about that
one national forever
think about that
whether you like it or not one day NDC will be in opposition whether you like it or not
MPP
one day NDC will be in opposition
MPP co-opposition
but wo edu ho a one kasa wo level no at the same
NPP co-opposition ya na for sa na e namfo ewo kroma pa
obi okrosia no abu ani enso nei
wo frau mini anti wo hwehwe me kakra say bi mu kwa contest o
bi mu kwa contest
wo ha no bi asende yam asende ne no aso asende mini ya we dia ya no ya ho me mini ya unu ya me call you me call national one
it me who aso o friend kwa no onfa
enso so
o friend kwa no onfa
ya no wa ban mu
o friend na no onfa
aso ni mu number
o friend na onfa
Observe
and sa na ekoso
Joseph Amisa Osise John they should create jobs for Ghanaians and should pay them well. Ghana ni bi adwuma se munya munyi mu munye. Amos munya adwene na mo de ko ye Ghana ni adwuma. Abro. Okoguni ni adwuma. Koguno. Bia ma obi kwan se o de politician na bie kwan atum. Die wono so konya adwuma aye no. Wono so adwumbone wontim bayi.
Abro ni bayi.
I was here with taxi driver say or enjoy show live Abripo Junction. Menchia you Ali Baba dan Kambari.
Echane pa Ali.
Ali echia no pe why. Na Alex Opokwenchi. Enso de need about say John. E mudi common sa no a. Ama mabunu no so o ma charge you. Cause nsem ha. Anyway. Ma me fa course kakra. We are Kenneth Ewaha, founder, leader, Edema APP. Peniwaha, and be didn't come on. But Mr. Nkoma, many were hamfamaha, who could you baby and famaha, Nkoma yedin yidi, and mamma diverte Nkomono and mamma 03224. 98035 0243114497. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
The king of taxi average. I go show when I can say.
Good. Minia, yonko enim. Watch out that you.
Asema na wo kase Ghana ninka adwuma bi bedawo tsenia and Ibrahim Ahmad say edi adwuma mali ya yeken. The young patrol and this for by win to me, the tomorrow is over the day. We see and cat and so maybe where bear more pie or take a careless or what more. It's a wood to me, the tomorrow yes, ah, your ma a brand anything you can do my corner you be up what kind of work. But and this is what woman said to swallow the thing. A brand woman. And you say, I brought the baby mama to forbid me to make more than you see a Jamaica.
I don't know, I can't want some semi and Yanessa. Good morning.
Yeah, only say on radio.
My brother.
Now, myself, I'm in the red rather for Jansen, so for back with you, what to go. So, Mate, Ibrahim Hamano, yeah, for my money. Because I do have a panel born on my name or president to Papa or Chokunas, I didn't know. Now, a friend saying, "Young car a Cades Dino." And no any funny by a back one as a basidium.
Yes.
Cades Dino, a woman. Yeba Akoma from Fish one I say, Yeba is basidium, doesn't mean location.
Location, they say Municipal Assembly in any more. So now, ne and Makion a opposite no. A honey a bayano.
But I see now, Kakra make out South Africa, I want to say. Sometimes in South Africa, they are more Ghana now. Oh, you quite cheaper, almost also more Sadiano. You say, after on my Ghana, I had you for no money any pound. On my Ghana, yet, on my was taking money per 2 coins. Now go to across South Africa now, because your resources, yeah, for the Adumo mine, give it my Yamo mine up on it to my first. I'm addition, so you do my Ghana for end. And then after addition. Ghana, yeah, this year and I'm going my this year. Name.
But I say, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, sir.
Great, you like Obi Pa, Obi.
Allow you, Uncle.
Offer. You know, you wish there's difference between John Mamaniano, any essence, Samamuchi, or Patty or Patty. No, on the party, and to say the money be selling the watch as well. The oh, it will be a subsidy or to Matthew and your fellow. Or you subsidy. So we are you, so we should be but
what is our comparison of crime? Munchaso. Why now? Any community? Why?
So what I said, let the mother, yeah. Yes, I'm offer.
You me that's it. Good morning.
Good morning, Sir John.
Yes, sir.
Sir John Julius, and now I like to say. I mean, you can now ask me your power, you walk my smile and my. That's what I done. Let you ask what I asked Mama. We say example of my about appointed media. Sir John, they come media and reach you this and then in the flyer. If you need to know if you sell a number of crime, I'm going to online. Offending women is decided to assume it's now meaning on 1 year or 10 years or contesting vigilante. Yeah, no more number beer, but you come in your appointment, with a reply, technically, or more reply. But I say, we see now also, who knows that to be up one, and say, I will get the Ghana. Yeah, I have to come up. But I want to see that. The higher bank. That's your belly time. So, once you go to final, if I am to what Ghana, and you quite said, compare wouldn't to me there, you wouldn't to me say,
yeah, Mofano see her. Now, young Queen, 03224 98035 0243 114497. As I said, comparison say, near ya, you baby, you know, not the Indian champion, Senka, and Famwa. No be anko anymore no na akokachire. The fact is that say we na we ni yi nso a kontabu no duru ho a betime bu ni yi ntima that comparison no my nya ma me for good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, sir. Pakwasi Obrempon minu ya oka se friend minu ya ma minti we
so my you said you to na kasa particular yeah the beginning you do
okay
yeah there kwa because the obi be for the be fini kuma ba be do juma e my na wa fanita na uchi omuka ebia 2000 every month but we probably yan kasa yan ko fun ko so mo be ni ban so fini be do juma instead of be ma ni kuma no ni juma no so wenya found to be an aware enjoyment with the money, the money over the moon. Oh, Jenica Papa, oh, Jenica Papa. No, 1,000 Ghana. If you go for I'm a foreigner, you know, only foreigner, wow, community, and only foreigner, and I will be a Duma. Over compare, no, that's a community, one and the war mining on your year. And some may be not to quite know, will be up to quite quite beauty. You go quite beauty, you know what I want my clean, you know, by idea. Ubenya 4,000 a month. Oh, then in the way that's the same as you all Ghana how. I bet you 1,000 Ghana, 1,200 Ghana.
I'm 800 crowd.
Oh, yeah, it's one. I won't come with Jumano. I said, you know, my name. No, Hapa, who could be a woman. But if I know what you Jumano, I don't know if they make you money for quite enough and I don't know Coquano. Let's catch a picture of the better one.
Okay.
Oh, it's not in the full account of you. 1 year blue.
Okay.
The government also will be crown over it. We will do my identity. We are not also who you must not who someone watch what you do crown so bad.
But that's a offer from good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because every
Kasem, for your time in
yes. South Africa, you know, Kasano, we're brilliant. Papa. Baba work on Minister. Kia Minister. Comes in Kit and no more do South Africa. 2079 for Nigeria. Nigeria for Busan. Where a minister than a player Abrofo. God's name and Mucho. And we got to know how Nemaya Basa. And you know, sir, I got NDP and NDC. And this is a clear never. Yuki, da. Oh, and then my ready to come. 8 years, and then go be ready. Oh, anybody discover Basa. What I think the Mojuan war, Ghana. Anybody, I heard you have. And yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And one the Ghana to one of Kumatan. Now you all acquire amount. Goose and the Manama, and the SOP. And then when you move,
Yeah, me that's it. Penny here, that's a pa, need the also the Abeka home. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because how are you?
Yami Adam.
The God bless you. The yanking, because everything is with you.
Mini am in too.
The God is also when it is Mr. I don't want to tell you that. Let me ask
you. What hard gender do? Honestly, yeah, well, no child, so on the tata you.
Let me ask you.
Oh, tata, on one bar, or real man, no, started attacking me.
Yes, one me.
And Miss Summit coming home to me, Pem Wansem.
I said, oh, and he said, this time. Happy Father's Day, baby. Also, when
Hey, Father's Day, no.
I said, young one is one.
Oh, that be, sir, Adiano. Yani ebe no onye se mo mema na ye ba na yani ebe ba no emu
na mo fo so ni fo yo
sa ho
na nkwan
ntika abekati amadi bida
ebe bi da bi ba so bo nza wa tla tla so
yo jai na bi mi rampa chopa bi so pa me no de me na matna krokituam bi so me no de ma jo ta na ma ko hu bida ntika ba ba ofufu ho
na bo fu
what dey she o ba e bo why
when me na ni ma ni
e be di come up
all right
me that's pa thank you okay em for no dey say no for good morning
hello good morning sir John
yes sir
iba so apun ko de
nyame adom ba cho so
no iba so friend Emmanuel me da friend Sofia
okay imam ye ni nkomo
sir John ana pay de Adamkwame me reporting we am Adamkwame from Adamkwame for Esanso Kapo Etria Koko. And that station there Adamkwame ma e fani ye o ma kan MC ni instead so that we can do this machine there we can so mo. O mo ni ti am pa demonstration e ko so that station we be fin to do ha station ha e ka akọ na ni to do ha do wa for so ni ejuma ibu ha no fa no. Anya sam kikwa.
Mo fa ka afi abakrum.
Maybe station there wa Adamkwame na e fa Esanso Kapo.
Okay.
If you put that man here for na ha, gawe for ni ma o mo kwani ye. O ma complain am MC ya don fa this machine. She put one more mo so o ma kan education. Ani o mo tika bi entu. Demonstration e ko so ha ni to bu ha. An pa ya cast na paki ha. O so mo kwa ibu ha na nya ko aso.
Oh.
If you make us
say kwani dey in fact e kwan na say pa o. Very terrible pa ma hu sa kwan no. Ejire driver for so munya adwuma ho.
Driver for ni na hu nya adwuma. Na hu so munya adwuma pra de o de ni pa putin ku ha. Ka se paki ya o so munya adwuma. Ya ka bi ya o se da azu ya e ko adwuma ni na ya bo putin ku ha. Aye e bia good kata nko ha. Ya putin ku ha na san kitwa.
Okay, Mate Adamkwame, you be man penny for Swanti. Good morning.
Good morning, Sir John.
Amy?
Sir John. I come back.
Oh, yeah, also I am.
I'm going to the morning.
Mammy, you
the issue of galamsey, in fact. Instead of here, me, every time I saw a mother, the issue of galamsey. Nkurɔfoɔ a wɔte kuro no mu no nso ɛyɛ problem paa ma yɛ o. Mpanyinfoɔ a wɔyɛ nsuo nketewa no mu a wɔyɛ galamsey no, saa mpanyinfoɔ no a wɔayɛ wɔn ho nidi ne sɛ yɛyɛ custodians of that area no, wɔn ba nidi ne sɛ government sɛ adwuma yɛ din papa. Ebi sɛ John wei kasa fam adeɛ a mi no wuli n'ani. Wrong. You say, passport, if you call a queen so, over Shana, not or what a passport for me bar, or when I unless you galamsey from no journey. Not so almost not a passport for the bar, or when a passport, they said they want the non family. And think, let your man, not that you can see a Jew or no one, everyone, every day. Government nidi ko enwoma awo ye se ebe chipa adie na ase no ebe kini aye yi enti tineni so e wa se ye advice ye no Send your baby, you bet me, I've blown your super dear Marfo. And I am telling you, this no time is a appointee to be for my guest. And your player, you know, your player, that comes no so. Problem ba na wu jane ba. Se ye twen ya ye pa kutuku ye twen. Na me ba da se ye brand.
What time chuku oh. Bombe. That's the palm. I'm in for last caller. Na yentuaso. Good morning.
Ofanyi ma che.
Mejo Swamza.
Mugula no ro pombo ko ri.
Ena de oni no ye ho.
Bima barika da sallah na
awe sallah na mama oni nyafam
na ko pa de ni pa na ko kada woman ti so uba do de subiya de na ko ta ma wai
yo
paro ina yana ta tarbi diano ya ta ce ka de ba ta sa na do ko mine se be ni fa ce se ari ko do wo so a wasi abo ma ba so ni ka bibiya fa wa ro pa no ma ku pa ni abu so ku wa fa ni se me bo ma ba so se esi anaju se kura na light si so mo ye duma ne din
no crepa
what happen mo be
no crepa
na me de se mo na ko ye me de se so mo ye dia e wo si e bo ma ba so no mu timi o mo de no mo ye duma ni ye ti na ka kire regional minister se ana mo tu no ro tu no on ko ni se ya ere me ma si no o mo ko ni se ya na santero je anya kama se de ya e bia ba wo so duma na mo di ye no mama na so o mo je so mo ye duma ni ye
me da se yenko yanim na obetimi akọ Facebook now they were doing traba Marika catch us say WhatsApp plan is here the adwuma 0598 87 0448 0598 87 0448 Omo di abane bi mayinti
Sir John, also good morning. My chief also good morning. Nyamisha ni wajuma pa o ye ma Asante Mane Ghana ma Sir John. Buakwa issue no ana buakwa kwa ne ma faso. Ma fa o mum bien tun. Me feel less than 30 minutes ni o mum bien tun. Still na ya blocking. Why? And the one no me da se. Nyamisha nyina.
What must mean come as of Yahoo Amos a portrait about some doing and somehow. Mestre, this is a hodo. To say, Oka and Crasia Hodo Bebria, I have no south, consumer and country also. Gallam saying to say, and should ta, then she Friday a month for dine. Mestre, in Penfonshire, na Omutunia Manasa Katana, my yes, Katakata Sukrana, Papa, to say a crescent say, oh, yeah, wouldn't you be a Sabi? What to be because of Gallan saying Kalanko school, not something from Tutu Niama, then somehow.
Good morning, a cheerful, a friendly Yima. Ninian Besame business a Putuja station, a quality judge on the Jadro of 455 cities. And on the road safety regulations, no, road weight at the Marby. Now, Quano George 55 cities, no. A new station, a government lander, a banner, a Quana tumor, what they ma a dollar for Mujina Hall. But mate for any judge in a Hong Kong for the judge in a house, or 555 cities. End of the day, cars say the mono. The person will be success, he can acquire ban her and answer a cock cancer and her. Because until CBN, but that's
it. We'll follow up. Na yedi anu yedi bro. That's a part for the message out there, Abba. Na penny many never twas ha near dim come on. Also, so come on, almost so. Loud ewo memu ha oka ho bi okwasempa ne se ano na oka se Ghana mfa o man manu na nka ono soso moa e bia nkoso mpa cho ya no atena ha ma me minia na anope o ha oba besrae yes on the oba na so ama Akoma na jesi kuma se wa ma e friend of Kenneth Nana Kwame Asamoah founder leader de ma APP. Yes. When you are
when you answer John, hey, I feel with them about the machimo.
Oh, now fee so about how and I feel
happy.
Oh,
and I feel they say Jammy Bar, one in Cockrafu the issue. One in Cockrafu the issue.
We depend for the Engocra.
Montpemran.
We depend for the Engocra.
There be a Michael Fryer, Omunquan, the Guizolam to Mokra Moka, Hona Ghana and Cockrafu, and there be a ye choose me. the moment I am president.
What can I say? I don't know.
I'm in chair and I'm in chair with TF4. I'm in chair Ghana for Asante Mera and Asian People Party executive and all the members across the nation. The Damasin said, Mumaya Konya.
Right.
Na
and crying. How about dear?
And cry your boko, so and your boko, how you hot. Send
I cry hot.
And say, baby, I hot. And I come and say, dear, we okay.
Oh, yeah, we are managing.
Come and say, be okay.
We are managing.
You're hot, but I mean, so far.
Development, near pay. Any gusua
oh, development, dear, say, MPP bound, I don't know, expecting development from IDC.
As a man, okay.
I knew when a mom development to Hasi. By my mom of 5 solid interchange, Mompe. Or my BCC confirm no chair. Or my development ya munyai, Muda Mamon Kazao.
Can I get to a baby?
And to a baby.
I prefer Swamidiano. Swamidiana of a PV demand. So I mean, touching you, Omugu Somoye. And I make as a
oh, daddy. Ejuma MPP ya wasanti munya ejuma ketu dia development market yesi amamo phase 2 yesi amamo new airport ede ade ne yenye mambu ya mosa yemfa development nko baby a omonso ebi nko ho ne enko ye mam na Ashanti region de development de MPP adawroma ya amamo ho atom se me bai me ho okocho ba se ne amodidi na moje money na fufuei I mean, by papa and a buyer or beboa montino. Yes, try see other regions now in development or honor. Yes, so within 1 year they coho said they bear because 8 years they didn't know Ashanti region.
Is it APP money by Mampanini Bumano?
They see a co-alliance and now refi.
Me aware
and no be a co-alliance. Thank you, yet Tibet and Yanum Netiho. Na Euradi Abuani Aqua Alliance near Timia Bapa, dear. You are no more alliance. You know,
because alliance and Kawuka. A buy and car, Ebia, APP for Nankamos so. Be a ministry, be an asset department, be an agency, be na. Yet the Amamon so more Shanama. Now, alliance, I'll call you when you're from others. We are alliance. We alliance.
Say, Joseph, the Kanaka Bim, I had the end home. Did the stand say, so more 4 years, say so more come 2 years you won't see but mom ye man na no DNB ebi na nkrofo bi si bench a wo mutiatia mo kan ye frɛ wa wo mfa ye the text message ne be you ano look there ye me ya no kra ne say na me wo communicators about 20 NDC communicate na me no mo communicate ye call radio so a me ana me wi a me sa mo musika kofi me sa ko drop wo mo and then most of them your chief executive me frɛ wo man no the text message and
almost some meeting.
Yeah. Nti womo nkoso nye meeting. Ena ma wo mutimu nya wo mode. 2028 is just around the corner. Ena mo nye adwene kra se adwuma John Dramani Mahama eye. Ena be ma 2028 Ghana for be gina so they ato aba. If they forgot, let me remind them. President Kofo 2008. The same issue. And a Juma Kofoye, and no Mujina Kofo, but they forgot to say not 208, not President Kofo ni ti Emma ballot so. Ne ni pafu fruity neba ballot so abla no bia enim ni tri madwana no odeba. Enti ma NDC phone kase a Juma John Dramani Mahama yenti that alone ebetimi do maba power. No. They shouldn't even think. And then yenko ne kasa. Even within the party members, Omukra Kasakura service outsiders.
As a party members.
Party member.
NDC for Nankasa.
NDC for Nankasa. So I say, Mamon Sati Mayao and Shenkro Futirimusisi. Because of some of the behavior of some people. Because a bind about power this time, at nye NDC for Masa ban we bar power. I can tell you the effort from Ghanaians and the problem we went throughout the 8 years of MPP and none of my Ghana for who said they be yenti until they shouldn't think say Omario.
There's the alliance for soldier.
Now radio for Krabu Jana ye. Aduma ye alliance for ja. Ye ja.
Hey,
to the extent say Unim say, and the Kramatis JDM, or call landing or coca, or say Ghanaians in diaspora, no, or be my, or be to take it, Eddie Ama, Ghanaians in diaspora, on Peso Mokonomoko Chia Brasta.
But that should be the thing, Anna.
Yes.
And I better say best sponsor for Domako.
Yes.
And I
don't need visa to travel. I don't need ticket to travel. I have put in a request. So, mama, me take it keka. Me debe kwa bo keke. And you mune etu me take it. And you mune man baby ada. You mune ye mi bibia. Onum say akajele me say you need sponsorship. Ghana nya sponsorship.
But so Ghana nya sponsorship. Enko first kanoi.
Sir.
And because me kai 2014.
Ne bibe kodi.
Say.
E bibe kodi. Ghana phone bibe kodi. So I see. Ebi ni o.
Edru hwa na ebe hu. But say oka say. Ghana phone bi wo dada. Nti the here say beto ticket am me hu say eno ye better
sir
than say ye be san so nkrofo free ade akọ.
Na me de ye mam ticket ni bi ko hwebo no bi anya na.
Oh say awo visa bibia na I don't hear ticket dey also mo consider.
Nti be ka kire say as a party kura mu I am making request na ye mfie ni a. O be say ye menka say bi. Oh, saa nneɛma we nyina de yaw ehye ni patirim.
Na mo kwa alliance no. E de na mo de kɔ. Mo de policy bi kɔ.
Na alliance na alliance si ye kwa ye mfa policy nko. Alliance wo kwa de mo kwa ne say party we ana the party no a esisuo no. Oye party a omwate memofo. Na mo ene ye free say ya adwene ne ye bibia se ne ye pese Ghana ekro no eye pe. Enu nti no ye beboa ye nka mom ne ye moa ne ye mpam parties so that's it. Enti sabinka dia wopoto manifie no senka wonchiri se wode ne nsabebom say John you are aware say when it come to Ashanti region the only political party that supported NDC is me. Who say other political party bi aba be ye campaign wa ha say the NDC ohuni
oh man who is that
no Edru baby na every day me call radio ni TV so more than 3 times a day. And you know it. So what I say. Enti mama mani pants at him fire and show him. Ebi na mo kano. Obi wa abemu. Na o free say we mama friend no kora wo fi. Ene they are calling you people to beg you. Say me bo momu wa me boa. Very good. Enti say obi beyi na komema yesa nyuma we nyina ama wa ba power. Now oba we say sankrofo de wunnim wo mo na nkrofo kakra bi na mo de go ahead.
But I catch me team say your front one ma yeah ho.
Yeah.
And there's no need.
Go ahead.
And Lucas will be up for
2028 is just around the corner.
Yeah.
Why? It ya nka bibia o. Ya de ye hwe mu din. Ya na ye nim say sebin preduasa yeti ho na yedidi dada.
Anyway, my share how said the Niama is echo so far. But my main fast that my midimafo and son my business question is abai no so far how far? I'm penny who modern bossing. Dear now we say going forward or the baby on board. Doctor time that's Dr. Dujan fee stroke diabetes hypertension in an oberhamon. Mama say do any better on wakona. Ashew ebuakwa agogo ye ne aban school hwe animu na poko asemaira kwan so nkranfo mo so mo de no no monko ho na momfa mo yade ne nkodok se obehwew ama yade no ase etu kama ma ho atro 0244774282 0244774282 eno eye number betimi afre yesi na ochufo from nti ukuada nyame adomo a Best Brain Publications omo STEM quiz no ebeba so we the promote science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. In junior high schools. In Tibomoding, say Ukuada about 5 p.m. Over joining Nkwadano live. TV3. Na also so be all for my man nyabre. Now also monitor program no kama YouTube and Facebook. Unyan Rufia betimi a monitor or so. Best Brain STEM quiz. Kama. Let me be our cost the amount. Edupack, semen control, sem quadano so hena mokosroy and BC, enche They who's almost at your marking. Results ne beba e banso a school selection beba eno achi de koko wie ne se akwara na beko school. The school na akọ no so wo fo beto niema. Na niema yi a wo to no de ne to ya pa e trunk, mattress, pillow and chop box. Nti edu pack me kan chose sa niema yi. Don't worry. Koto to niema na aka ni nyina no. Na fa sa de ma wo mo. Na omo amfa mre wo. Omo fa nhia wo school ho. Enti wo dial *7 o dial *713 *821 hash *713 *821 hash. And as uko ADB branch be a bewo uko udra so ubusa so we opese oye edupack registration ni bi obetimi aso akọ www.edupackgh.com na honso so no wakwa registration we are obetua sika no utua wi ombe receipt sa receipt no sa akwara ni bie school a fakọ ubedru ho no na trunk, mattress, pillow and a fee plastic chop box no na wo ho omedi ama we edupack and a day ebrewo approved and supported by GES 0500 60 0607 0500 60 0607 and a 0302 95 5050. No stress, no wahala. Mini ama memra hobby na mi musa said okay nyina no se wo hwa aban no modern more so far. We are impressed with aban na djuma waye ene said the name asiko.
Na mini ase John se ode toto emre bi atwam dia eye papa. And even if say they compare 1 year 6 months from 1992 all the government here, this is far better than all of them.
And then now they measure
the entire measure first thing exchange rate. Track record from 1992 up to today. There is no president here waba exchange rate or bar baby ejinano ultimate so a man bafo ni nyina akọ up obia ni ho obia ni wa yibida obia ba se na 2 cd a quad ebia 3 cd
do oja
ahead ya nipa naja
the oja de okasa but okasa obia ni ho a oba exchange rate abafo
what
is ebi abafo da just that ebia all free ho no did I make us say you situate discussion here ebeboa say bia go aban onwie na djuma
and I can say yeah the first year no and I'm okay. A comparison not the eba they see enim but I am only compared the first year of every administration. I don't know which one you can say no buy no na dollar no 1 cedi and now 2 cedi and what they buy 1 cedi. I don't know. If only you can tell me. But we saw it now. I'll be by now dollar was about 15. What to me abanaji amana bad down up to down. In you say any pani dia wujai. So which one? We have the lives of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and Kufuor. The young folk, they are the current. When the dollar was about 3.8, 4.0, and now Omoka. Fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you. Mobile. Tell me that within that 1 year, were they able to bring that 4.0 or 3.8 down to at least 3? No, they couldn't. Right? But here is the government here, or buy here from 15. What he bringing it down to 10? And now he's maintaining between 11 and 12.
Is it 11.7?
Very good. Enti the obejane or the obeto ye no watimi dia down. So if there is any government here watimi aye bi la, mention it. You won't get it. And that alone is a mark to them. 2, omobeto inflation, which inflation there we know say all the government are doing, they do well. But this is very significant to the extent they say, baby ana akwa kudu, any day away, there are 2 huge gaps.
Emuwa dear.
Emuwa.
But I'm for say omu.
No, because omu huna Ade, have you forgotten the quote of Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia? Because Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia as an economics, emra obiti aban man or ti bench no, or catch a Ghana for nyina say a commodity nipa was inflation na year. But when it was their time, no must say woman inflation and a year calculation MIA. So they have done well.
You also in significant.
Right, they have done well. And you know, Yamba Omabaso. 2, a dear baby Omaya dia Abwa Amagana. You were talking about Metisa Ununiaka say, and mo say yes, of course. But go to the port. Unse me important. She put near my pa. Car 2024. Just let's use the Toyota Corolla and Camry. Now to meet your duty as much as 1 billion. Today, we pay duties of 660,000 to 700, having to save money. That car, no, 2024, now bet me a ton 1.8 to 2 billion. Today, we are selling that car 1.5, 1.6. Toyota Corolla. So I say, and I know it's significant, and my and yes, of course, and my boy, and the way it is there, but there are some small impacts, some relief at the aba. And you know, and be biana sabi ubenya ni totro to, and ya maybe a honor more a yedding, and you know, say we are living in import. And yama ya different bontene band, and also saying they are creating waha, which every government thought about it when they are in opposition. But they have not been able to turn the devil around. Ebini dia na moki can say adenti nyama Ghana forma enyuma. Why do you know? Have you asked yourself Argentina yem fa companies akesiye yema Ghana for chance entino. Yaye bida it didn't work. Kwame Nkrumah ja companies akesiye de maye. Where are those companies? And you for na be say companies no.
Say no dia no ye aban.
And I made sure I would say, even within the government,
your
private sector,
the private sector,
very good. Very good.
Very good. And you agree with me, sir?
I understand that. And I may patch it, I will say, and will be the Antina Boaserwa or Jenny Bagura, no way in any other change.
And will be done, say, and I want you to understand this, sir. We are not looking at, say, or minor. Say abayin because wa say onwa de nisika ye adwuma because they who be that intimi and survive.
But
I'm talking about say can anope de ebo so individuals say
those companies created by Ghana government. You turn them a for. Most of them private sector the toy. Those Kwame Nkrumah companies. Most of them private sector the toy. I can tell you say some of the companies here, your Toma private sector, solid. They couldn't continue on. 2, Minumi and Beja to Muse GDA, war private sector anymore. Anyone because of politicians. Because politicians are the corona man, why a digger si Kenya man is all fan chichi chrono. What are they doing to us? And in the mindset of Ghanaians, and say, politician cry a Ghana Ashan and San Head or the Ghana for film. Now ya the Ghana Japadi and now ya baba private sector, Sikaso of Fankoye. And the Akwe BBT say, because we are running a country whereby politicians alone are the most wisest people in Ghana. Apart from them, we are private sector crown and now we are you not here? Somebody were talking about Chamaun to Minuma, ya DJ Freenism. But he forgot also to mention. Say even Ibrahim Mahama, your friend is saying in your boss site, no. What did that person government did? Say Ibrahim Mahama, or you will be. They do the company
comparison.
No, we have no. I am not making the comparison, but let's face the fact and the reality. Say no. If you are going to run the country in politics way, that is what is going to happen. Private sector will be survive. So why was it?
Say Abayi ba no who say nipa no yes or nisika bo MPP, but ebetimi a manage na naso because owo anon kwa timi a create employment a offer nkrofo adwuma. Ehon should be our focus. dance ebeka si egu no because of a party ni bi or NDC no MPP ni enya NDC nko asem ne yeka NDC MPP omu nyina no omu default sa na me ho
enya no aso na wo
enti yeah so the point is that we are not looking at it say oh yengu MPP ni adwuma ni enya NDC ni because NDC wa ban mu ana say MPP abanti yengu NDC adwuma ni enya MPP die because MPP aban mu but yen hwe say emfa won ne ba bi anipa no wo said the all ye ni ya fine me so bi so aban bi ba no say wo ye MPP ni wo ye NDC ni na ye suspect say sika bi a wo de ye adwuma no o say ehwehwe mu a I mean I know the emra so the law will take its course I know the emra no be na adwuma but say nipa no wo ya de na ya deliberate say oh there be we yengu no in the case of Papa Kwasi Ndum de ya and aba be dru any banks here collapse na sika na ye betim de any years oh there be yam fine koye na the trust the banking system no sector no kofem you know or see egu no you get that thing that is our call yen hwe na say say oye entrepreneur oye important ya yes also one is wadi hunumba
Sir John
it is obi ka say yemmoa wo na gina na so ne create adwuma man crofo nya
Sir John
it is in a it's a right call yeah
Sir John in politics in Ghana you know we are not living in isolation yet we know what has transpired what is going on when it come in terms of politics involved in private sector you know it enyamina mebabeka people have been tagged just because they don't support the idea of that political party. Because of that, until say you better politics from those things, the NDC and NPP kind of politics, trust me. You know TSA, you know Tia, the man Kudi Ibrahim. And you man some opposition kai. And up to now, there's some no more. That is what I'm saying.
Or can we, you know? What should happen is that say Ibrahim Mahama Juma no okoye no ni nkrata asemo ye ni bibia ye kama okoye adwuma emfa nsunsuanso boni bia mre community onwura forest enkotu forest ngui onkonkotu forest reserve enguya Ghanaians will continue to support that person because they are politicians bekasa but Ibrahim Mahama de no ahwa so ahwe ni din a ano na ewo ho no ye kakra bi o but omo kasa duru ba bia amfa no omo say Ghana for embrace sadie because eventually adwuma na all you know will help on my own. So that is it
onum de ntia ka say amfa no amfa no because political party are about be manafa at bench. I'm telling you this, it has happened to him. It has happened to different people, not even Ibrahim Mahama alone. Ibrahim Mahama mpacho wakoka obi wo Ghana what is wakwaji obi sika e dia ansem dia kan fa ne ho ye kan ya the task common task what the name fa porto abontua ye bad ye ne be ye no look we know these people we know the angle they come from
e dia na you are also a politician e dia na o say
enka kuro before kuro betimi achechire amatimamufo anya adwuma we have to leave it in the hand of private sector. But here is our case here, private sector ni yembu we have private sector, adwuma what private sector see Ghana for we don't build bigger companies. You know it. Private sector ya can based on stores in kitchen na Marfo in a private sector. Because the moment here obi beba bemwa through that government initiative say sa private sector we were born home day yen support no yen money sika yen ni say ni pay the other party will tag that person into a power. He will make sure Papa Kwasi Ndum dia okay. I can tell you the case traveler to a penibianim okromo asay ema ne frɛ then president no mo kotena ase. Do you know what the outcome was? Wonya sika with the support to other party, he will not do it. Let's say allegation. Let's say eniemo who say ye best say we dwuma. Enti Ghana ha abra Marfo support to omo individually say omo build companies no omo fan crofo na omo tetas if omo so. Here is our case here. We don't think that because of these two political parties. Enu ntinu ba private sector no Womu ba enipa kakra bi and the benefit. The majority of the people biara no and benefit. And mostly no over here where too much attack to the whatever government or president it is. So, but the fact of the matter is that it doesn't even matter. What matter most to say any pan with the capacity to do that. That is the most important. But what time any sabi when your party where I can tell you say the 8 years of Nana Akufo-Addo administration, I know a lot of businessmen are free Ghana because of or how near money and you do almost they collapse. Do you know how many employment here is said that time? And we are not expecting that as a political angle, say we are tagging people instead of pushing people, instead of pushing the private sector to move on. Because woman kwani nipa gebetimi afen nipa biblibe. Now so yeah case, it's not like the white men case. Because Obronino, only the private sector can do for the individually. Governments kura oti kromo a wotia ana country a wote so a the government is the major spender no debia krono ekwa ahohiahiam when they open the portal of Ghana police how many people run over there
say adwumani
ho very good adentina adwumani ho because the government itself are making sure say more private sector no man nko because of politics. And obi bia nso suro se odi ne ho bekwa akwahye private sector nim ne abeka chen say we say e aba we ne sponsor no man yeye. Therefore let's leave it like that. It is a sebi obi osika kropes odi bia adwuma in the presence of this government or this government here. Only an issue because the good people will tag the person say aba we buy hweso onye sika akoye about we buy is that how we run the country?
Buy ba obi awo de
benefit. And nothing American. Is that how we have to run the country? No, send your can. And just your country. No, we need to allow individually who have the mindset, knowledge to open different companies. Now, it is private sector who is running the whole country. The government sat somewhere and when they're urging a task, no DCC hospitals or DBA road or DBSA. 2, interest rate is as low as 4% here. Or private sector company. Here is our case. Interest rate alone will not push you. Now, but here is other country, they don't even ask for any guarantor. With your credibility will give you the loan to go and do what? Set up a business. But how about bank says here, also you catch yourself a dime beto. Say crack put your car cry the omu because it devalue way be a time of this can be my way why you say we just can over car and swati. They say omu here sasi, omu here nine. Enti ebe then I wo akora wo person we siso. What were the ideas to set up a company? We need capital. Bank. You push you. What so how can the private sector grow? And in all this thing, idea is here. You say no. Your mind here, chichiri, and your individually here, chichiri. A kwaben ye befasua. We can make Ghana great again. Na Ghana for man to akwa nkoko baby ni bobo womo ni kunkum womo. Na yen sanfa play nkofa womo ma. We should set up. Abai President Akufo-Addo said in previous yes what an okotu a uyi ni mirika me nyo obi a mempewasem na say bia we ade ba ko na ya me metena ha mo no you try to do this one district one factory. That was a good initiative because enka omo bae no omo ye omo adwene say they will venture into that na nko omo do omo adwene see so a enka one district one factory. We have about 260 districts in Ghana. And can be a factory. And I think it's in campaign. Sad district in Nkrofo Benye Jumai. 1, 2. You're making your dream say one of the problems we are having is you're making your dream now say it is only a white man who can set up a good job for Ghanaians. And the idea was here, the Ghana we prefer to give to the white man. period.
Sani ya adwene.
Sani ya adwene.
Se Bruni nkwa na betima ya adwuma pama.
Enya Bruni nkwa na betima ya ade a. Ye ton your friend say Vodafone. Mpacho ye ton ma bibini.
Say there you cry ayi Ghana dia. 80
ade be.
Yeah 80
ni dia. Airtel. Now how many times na ati wo mudi?
Say abeg Ghana dia.
How many times la ati wo mudi? Airtel go ya okay. How many times la ati wo mudi? They say uti anyina opa afre nipa 100 na bu so say number ben no mu yusu. MTN and your friend said Voda asa 8 year okay number no kura me ka say me first 3 code no kura me nim enti ya mindset no e di free tete say broni
ba no so you obi so adwen say wo de ma Ghana ni Ghana ni a bi ade ono so benya free mu no so emma wo
ho abenya free mu
de ono so benya nipa no the other man do benya free mu no so ma.
So then why are we complaining say yem wa Ghana for if you know this here? Why are we complaining? So we will keep giving to the white. Ya beje your friend say nyahiri boss site see the come China for omu be si factory omu be ye dey me pa cho factory no masi wohuni you see ya the re akwa akoshe obi mu and that the person is dictating for us and nobody should complain and nothing that be am catch us what Ghana
they also complain say omo yes ade na omo complain they say also complain yeah what for my pet my also complain
but to be complain o no do hene.
Yes, but constantly you can't
na you free complaining you free complaining no me pa cho ne. What has changed? Omo mpam one this in MPP no mo mfa membra. I'm the only person that I can change the dynamics.
Obia can be. You can obia can.
I me pa cho and some money sunti ni echedi. Wo mo ma kan bi, wo ma ko mo ho. Me ma ba ho no ho me na dem ya be compare.
Obia can be.
Da bi nya obia can be. Na me say, sebe kwasi me nsanya, enje se kwadwo me nu nso nye. Na wo won try me. Who would obi ba ne ba be hye me? Na mpa
try me no ya tibio.
The obey try me no a ye mo amu ni suni ne ba.
Enti try me no ya pe try me.
Dabi me pacho. And you people shouldn't complain then. So if your mind says say we won't change
the alliance. Alliance. Yeah na what me. Did you cause no say yeah so can be.
That is why I'm saying it. And until I'm making. Oh, Zajon. And then maybe I'm here friend yago. Maybe a Ghana econo. Say kasi ya debate politics. Near the abaye MPP NDC. Then we will continue.
The third force. Third force.
Now there be a musolia Ghana for.
Now third force no maybe APP. At the end why ya me who say wo. We a party we formidable. Ujina onaso. You say mo thing. Anti you bet say third force ni because mo the oyaw and the political parties.
Where we
but they make can say no correct.
Anti me so we
maybe
na MPP ni NDC no mo Ghana no mo body ade na no ma ye kire me ade na no ma ye.
No, but
you see, a
journey
of 1,000 marks begins with a step.
Yeah, I agree.
Good. But men can say
political parties, smaller political
that
parties.
is where you are wrong. That is where you are wrong. Why? And I'm not be sad. You are Ghanaian, I'm a Ghanaian. Why I'm not be? You don't want to help me. We are Ghanaian. You don't want to help me. And you are sitting there, you're complaining. Say, why? Political party does not belong to one person. Once a political party has been created, Ghana for
this political party conditions and idea say or they join the political party and looking good. No, so free. Let's say they are before so before me or political party. So now party. Now party.
UPP
and now UPP so oni ayi odike na 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 mo me kaisa mo twen home manso na te sa party no kra no and odike na afa no
agu
eno na agu.
It's not in the book.
And I hold the APP.
Action People's Party.
UPP. Emuna. APP. Aba.
Every UFP. Jataba. From UFP to UPP and then to APP.
And
they say UPP agu.
Catch yourself on political party no.
Woman need certificate.
Anyway,
woman need certificate.
Maybe a free benina. Actually, says our political parties in Ananke when that's womanka. Yet you need us, you request manka.
And nothing as a leader. The mindset is not about Ghana and so you can't follow that leader. That one too must be.
But Obi answer my who say the mindset a Ghana. But we are not.
But have you seen the attitude? Say mama ya konya about radio and about TV so omu be kasa. So you see the difference.
Oh.
And then they say that mama yantan hasai. And you shouldn't complain then.
And you serious.
Now who's smaller
meba.
Why you are complaining?
Smaller political.
Are you not complaining about NDC and MPP? So why don't you come and join me so that we share the ideas together?
So when you're serious.
You're serious. We will see you're serious.
Because you see, mebo. Momo sa parties here. Abayana bebano. Namo so because of contracts near Adiam Benyenti. No kwa kosim. Abani bibi na nyakra mo ntiminka.
Ade asem na okay.
Enti
me better ha me complaining about JDM. Me say dem see JDM ye bia ya na.
Unkansa.
Very good.
But
you see the problem
you have always been with government.
The problem I'm facing with you. We are Ghana ni. You complain like I complain. And to me, my complain now when say baby as I cry you queen crofo you me no mwaye. And I made the idea about say there be the crofo ye. You know. And I'm at him who say no. Mommy I'm got political party bet my baby Ghana. So I am expecting you. I was so complaining. Come and join me. Join me. You are here sitting there complaining, criticizing.
Ideology there. Musa political party munyina so ne de
ye nyina so nyina ne se ekwan e be fa so a Ghana fo mrantie e benya adwuma aye because wo hwe nwuma e wo Ghana ha nyina akoye nkokorafo nwuma nkokoralism ura all the ministries nkokorafo ne guo 60 years and above wo makọ adwuma pon aye se wo mfiri wo na nkola ne biba even nkola ne kora hye na ase ne kora be training ne keke ama se oniwa akora ne be sinanan eno kora ye boachi bidi ekwan be ne be fa so the youth of this nation. One, you better your voting partners because I can see most of the youth abano mokotono omunti omu voting nasi to the sense say omuntu abase ye de bepempuntu omuntu abase I know you Sir John, I know you so and so na ye to abama. Meanwhile bia akoni sa nipa no oni the knowledge. Two, adebenti na Ghana for ye bre choosing the leadership. Ghana 4 doesn't know how to choose a leadership. Ghana 4 choose a leadership based on how old you are. Period. And to Shakurana Yakotikuo, that's a penny be womoa. It does a penny have leadership role. So betty me a dear Nimon, Yashano. Yeah, I'm Kolada woman because we have been belittling ourselves. Oh, Papa Sumesin and the Alpha Colonization. Near the Akosha Pennymunsa, Ebia Pennymun. So he has no knowledge about leadership. So leadership is one of the problems that we are facing in this country. Two.
Anything.
The Abayan one is saying, Nuntin a year, but there was some Lanti and Mapa or joining politics. So up a Ghana ye. Now, the future of your own children say, send your wabri, or mama may be bribisa. Don't go and follow NDC and MPP because it is the same pattern that they will ask you to do. Come and join the UFO party. Na ye me koni enye Ghana nsi to the extent they say me no ti hey what complaining from 1992 up to date you are still complaining baby I what here there is no change, there is nothing going on in your life and you are still following those people. Amachi didi and what to ya nyom di kan o si dabi ebeye watwen ya enye yi da afi wasi ayu baby akobabi baby anyewa baby beje why ya wakwa anye afi the last me no advice say o si enkachi
enti I think say maybe I mepeda no wa shada be convince me ne Ghana for
enti they make nyanya convince o
we here bread to understand you.
Hey Sir John, Not just mama kasegu.
No. Me castle. No, but so you need time to talk about.
So when them say Mranti and Maba were Kroma, they complain a lot.
I know.
Even to pick up a phone. Even for them to pick up a phone and go and search for a job, you know it's a problematic for them.
Yeah, I know.
Very good.
So
I didn't know say basa.
Nti me ka say, maybe I want me the asi. Nkomo ya di nyina ya di general nkomo. But I'm saying say me here time about wo party no. Any how I'm person mo your mind.
O person can me fa me party policies bi nchire wana.
That's what I wanted to
You
say.
should have asked me my party policy. The best party policy in Ghana is my party.
Okay. So me na make say menya bre.
Na the only bre.
Na why ya na say ya your party mo adwuma. And I the general come about.
Okay, and your mama me bre. Na me party no, me fa me party policies. Emra me to dwa na mo nchire Ghana for say these two political party one what that policies we say be. Because me policy ba ko correct me fa nipa 5 million. One policy.
Equity 5 million jobs.
5 million jobs for the youth. For the youth. And you know what type of youth? Even one more go school no kra, tertiary education for no. One more kra benya duma kra se one more mutifie. To the sense say, just 4 hours job, come and do it. Make some small change for yourself. Ubi jawo mama no papa. How? There be a mama bremisika, there be a papa bremisika.
I see.
So what I see.
And you're not a grassy doctor. So for a con herbal center. A friend of grassy doctor. Oh boy, Juma. Yadia na a friend of typhoid, no. What the cohort to us. But you, the wakacho said typhoid, the end manage. Unia drew. Into coho. Na fa also how call typhoid obi to ase the amount our Reko Herbal Center no so boost immune system and manage pressure but your menstrual pains oba bosume so a okonfitira na wo tie mu ni nyina no se men catch say kopɛ Reko Herbal mixture ni bi be ma onso so no watenka ekofem kopɛ Reko Herbal mixture ni bi na bibia nkoso kama Reko Herbal Center ewo Kumase Breman obemban mu no ɛhɔ na behu no uduru ha de bisa so pe sofo Reko Herbal Center na kraso doctor mbetro ho Reko Herbal mixture no ukọ Fredimens ke wo benya bi Akoma FM ya wasokwa ne mo no ye obsidian entrance obusa benya bi Promise Herbal or Repair FM and afi Sax Pharmacy El Patasi Block House Time FM obuase Free FM Techiman Paul Sack Herbal room Top Amazing Herbal or Tafo Methodist Church Ejuso Government Hospital entrance benya bi Tech FM and afi Anointing Fast Food one career for number 0248672271 0248672271 now on your so come na bibi ankosi ye emfa emma ewo ho enti no ye be hwe na masa kanfo the amount say weekend yi ukwayi ade ba ko ha dwen pa ne se bia yi be kwayi na ateka mu na ben obi na nipa no untimi fa otin kofem o de kofem pe nieme nam hwena no nyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenye unsa wokɔ ayie no a wo tena ase a na pani bi so tuma na muso ampa na de bae no nye pachew ye de AFR roll on no ɛna etu sade na se ye wo free send passion free send activate and a free send smart pachew ni nyina no bɛboa wo ama we feel good you know said ye nei mini aspartus baby okoye bia na waba na ene owura mu a majestically so feel comfortable you know yes bia you fine enti AFR na boa ama so baby owura no odi ani je okopa adwuma na wan hweye na de odi be wura ho no adwuma wura no hu sa wo hwa won krata nyina bia kama but oba wura ha opie ye no onya cry condition ko bedum no pacho bomade so benya AFR no bi Kumasi ukọ comfort don't call cosmetics adum PZ so benya bi teacher cosmetics say wadum PZ and very enterprise wadum Posego Lane and afi way cosmetic wadum Felicia Bakun wadum and afi China so atonsu ka kire so wadum koho nkran so obi e wo drug lane and omo ma kan so no ko ha benya bi kama nti bomade so be from Pass Royal Enterprise 0544 726882 and after 0246 392793. AFR no de yo eye papa ye pa ya eno so ebeboa pa nti hye no so ma me na menua bosheba amisti wo so go so zongo so Ghana here competent leader Masaud kuma se bantama o se Ghana say omomudi ani mu nyina no ohu bibia yie o se said aba no a Ghana for koto no na no menye sure say Ghana for be sa to bio pa so betu bio pa say betu abeti MPP aban de enti anu ye na na yanya birthday so na ye wi ana fe no ye di nkra kama ne obibini na betene mu de ama Tony Best enti ya no ahye no so e de ama me yanya birthdays na unse birthdays no do so kakra ti yentim free ho na yenkoye ni okay okay enti yanya ni yankwana ya yanya na ana aye okay okay ma okay ma yenye ene okay so Alex we say the offer see a special birthday mini Alex Kunadu say the offer see when ya 4 years and then I would always you know happy birthday unfortunately mini it didn't know it's a refi Samson and then so part check and then your birthday part check today is your birthday you are CEO and we CEO at the part check barber shops ewo ahinkro and then I would happy birthday to you Minia said todo ewo Fish FM Fish TV also we say Pachek and share birthday happy birthday to you Pachek Portia Boateng Okunsu Dodonano Efreo Posh yes Obi that's why we show happy birthday Obi I will show happy birthday Portia Boateng Okunsu happy birthday to you and Hannah Kwachiwa Ewa Accra Circle and Ewa Woda Franklin say our show happy birthday to you signed by Dr. Abedi Kwadaso and then so Yankasi Enua Kwame Owusu Bampo aka Honorable KOB we are assembly member Ewo Aprade Masawamu electoral area menyen here for chemi enti minia yes KOB happy birthday to you and our communication team member for Chrome MPP communications officer hopeful and our minia KOB happy birthday to you and Clement Ando Askolo clothing was Seshi Asafo and then Wawoda Wilberforce, fantastic Wilberforce. So I wish you happy birthday to you. Ama Sewa Janet Srebo and then Wawoda happy birthday to you. We a special one to you. Tilipano say to my lovely queen Ama Sewa Janet Srebo. I say what shall we? Hey, just say who will be that? In fact, we will be a odo o Akoma pa Yankopon ko so nshiraw we every someone special also we show happy birthday enti eno ede no Papa Kwame Afon ene ya woda from parents almost wish you happy birthday Papa Kwame happy birthday to you Sandra a good year ene ya woda happy birthday to you from Nana Obosika. Also wish you all the best. Happy birthday to you. I'll say happy birthday to my daughter Anea Nyameche. Anea, happy birthday to you from Benedicta. Also wish you happy birthday. Prince Kwakuba aka PKB. Adwa Kwachiwa so we show Yankopon Shira any Adam. Happy birthday to you. And then also a Constable Benedicta Owusu of Mankranso Police Station. Happy birthday to you from Detective George Money of Mankranso District. Yes, CID. Honor also wish you happy birthday. Say what Juliana will feel so massy. And then what that Minia Stanley also wish you happy birthday. Say what happy birthday to you. Also your friend Michael Owusu Efiye. Me External Media Relations Manager CCC. Deputy Managing Director Edema Daily Banner Newspaper. Menya 47 years. Inti Minia. Wish me happy birthday. Inti me wish you happy birthday. Mike, yami shapa. We are heavy ankasa. And the last one no. Kodiama Francisca Yeboa. Ashanti Regional Free Senior High School Coordinator. Dodona Afro Tundra. We are incoming Deputy National Women's Organizer. Happy birthday to you. We say Free Justice, a communication team member for the NBC. Also wish you happy birthday. I don't need a so na edit media na baby. Yeah, so I'm at Minia Obibini Akohene no betem the amat 20 best. Yankopon adom ochina ibehia. Nyame nka ho. Kopem si ibehia bio. Jawodo ama Obibini Akohene na watwa so e de amaye.
Them say we don't know how to.
Ejanamu hu hia awo ya setena mu. Eno nti ene yi dasi ho. E de kai ye ejanamu. Be kai ho. Kwasiada 21st June 2026. Na nyina ye nka mom. Enche ni so emfama ye ejanamu. Dwumadie yi be koso e wa Asokwa Municipal Assembly. Parker ene Makion edie ni hwe. Dwumadie ahodo pi na be koso. Free medical screening. Enim di forma me ye nkyerɛkyerɛ. E de afa adwene mu apromo